Well, you can't hear me now. Glenn, what? You there in Are you there Jamaica? Are you there America? Grandma, good morning. Pretty smile, Queenie. Thank you. Hello, Grandma, Queenie. You okay, Queenie? Yes, I'm okay. Everybody okay? You look beautiful. Thank you. I get beautiful for sure. I feel good watch. See, look at that top face. Glenn,
Hi, Queenie. Oh,
you
glad
there,
you.
Fernie?
Yeah, let me say though.
I miss you too. Where have you been from? You've been traveling. You take plane like blood clot taxi.
Oh, you got me.
Glenn,
Oh, God. Yeah, there, man.
Jamaica
Hi,
is sweetest place.
Monique.
Jamaica
Hmm?
is sweetest place in the world. Nobody can't tell me nothing. And I one of the most bomber holy spaces in the world at the same time. That's Jamaica's fun. You're damn if you do,
Let me
and you're
keep
damn
going.
if you don't. That's Jamaica. What?
But there, man, Miss Jamaica though, man. I tell them like.
I said, me down here, Glenn. Every week, my claim very. You know, my time I go to the airport, I try to go on flight, and the flight is
Lord.
overbooked.
So how
And
come? So what? Mm-hmm.
I'm
So
just
how
put my
come?
hand
Go
together
on,
and say,
man.
God, any wish for me for stay right now, all right, just so my friend. It's anytime I reach like a friend, fuck that. Moving the blood clot. I the whole and a jeep load of drugs and I can't come to England. So in the blood clot time, tell them from now so me I full the jeep I just can't come a blood clot England and then I have to go behind my back attack and make no allegation. Me I bring one jeep of blood clot drugs and over come to England so over up on the dirty blood clot. Moving the iniquity where we drugs are over me I bring come. Because all of them know my blood clot deeds. So I bring over phone and jugs. What, Glenn? Mr. Glenn, the way I'm afraid over my face when I see my face sit up to blood clotting at the hospital, I say, God, please let me get back my face. I saw my face.
No, but when we call him, they say, "Oh, Queenie sound so kind." That's why I ask you, yes, sir, who this? Come on, pick up the voice at first.
You sound different.
They say the person so that I have much more to pussy clap. That's how
When
who
me
this
hear
from
my
my phone.
voice, me traumatized over my voice, me I get flashback, Mr. God. Remember me have to go say some pussy clean, some pussy fat, and when me listen there. Me not even remember one man to my good I sang a bus me I talk about in a cat, me I say, some pussy clean, some pussy fat, and me I hurt it in a hospital, and my face I go stay to say, send the doctor them say them have to go slit my face from inside or outside, them have to attack
Oh
it inside
God.
the cell. Ah! Why? No! I don't
But
want
but
one.
Queenie, your body, you really left the check out the hospital and go party. You know, easy.
Well, I'm glad when I reach the hospital, but my people them done put me already in but then yeah. Listen, Glenn. So
Uh-huh.
when the doctor them said them are attack it from two sides and that's the only way them can draw the signal in it. Mr. Glenn and I done ball. I get up out of bed and I march left the 12 doctor and I ball in the bathroom. And when my ball, I see the ball is not going to work. I just said, just stand up here. I just that come to me.
Uh-huh.
I want to lady in the hospital. I said to her, I said, win some. You know, me there in the bathroom, my bar and the spirit just said, trust and up here. And I said, I call my husband. I said, do it. You need to come and hear what the doctor them I say and come help me make the decision. I'm free. Listen, Glenn. Listen, I'm friend. Me, I think everything about my face. Me ask them if it's a 1 inch cut. Them say no, that's a little bit, it's just a little stitch. But a little thing. But anything what them say just sound like the eyewear. Anyway, the trust and not be no me the plastic. I know me love my God no matter how loud and vulgar me is that. Me I got on my over. Some bumper wolf for know that. You hear that? I God will always be my over. So me I trust and not be a sing now, but me I say, me have one booking to go Tuesday. And them say them are gonna cut my face. But remember, even though I feel the pain, I'm strong. So I can lift the car, I can wash it same way. Even though the face hurt me because I grow fucking rough. So because I grow rough, all when I dead, nobody knows I'm really a dead Glenn. And that's the truth. So in myself, I put weakness in me about my outside strength. So I say, all right, if I'm slit my face and the big white plaster, do it so crazy. If you listen to what the doctor them say, them explain it more than one time. The only way your face have a dry down is if they get the outside something. So you better you just take the chance and blood clot. Me take the chance and me start ball again and then I cut it.
But the face look good though, Queenie. I can't ever tell say you get nothing. Yeah, face look good same.
Thank you. Yeah.
So look a scar this.
That is good.
Yeah.
So I ball again and next trust and obey just in my head. Trust and obey. And I eat my chance. Trust and obey. Mr. Glenn. That Monday now, it's when Monday night come man, and the operation fell by so when I see the two doctors come and the woman with the little summer, Mr. Papa, I start man again. No, I'm not gonna do it. When I forgot put me for sleep, my Bible.
Oh God, do it again.
Oh God, dead me uncle can't be me. Me say no, I want my husband. No, my husband are the only one can do it with me to and from, you know. I'm going to say, Glenn, my ball again. So, you have a man named Dr. Jones, you know, man. You have Dr. Robinson, a woman doctor, and then two little short doctor. And then I'm afraid of. When we see the man come, I said, I'm ready to come in the operation. I said, no, I'm going to change my mind. Me now better cut. Jesus Christ. God, I love you, I love you. The longest live I tell the tale, Glenn. Naturally, I'm afraid
that
of
is good, man.
You see, true, me so vulgar, a lot of people feel like, say, boy, all them something that can traumatize me. Anyway, this one, the man who have on the blue clothes named Dr. Jones, God bless him. The man bring a blue exercise book, the cover blue, and him turn it over on the blue side, and him get him pen, Glenn. And him say, Queenie, him draw my face on the blue paper in a Glen.
Yeah.
The man's so patient with me. Man says I'm traumatized. Him says I'm a weak motherfucker right there, but my mind feels strong. I send him dry it and him show me the era where them are going to attack to talk out the act up, whatever the fucking something is. Yeah. And do it that they are interact and I say, see the crazy. One go and done. I'm just stand up here and I say bomber clad, fuck fighter, blood clad funeral.
Man, I could have something worse, so yeah, give God thanks. I just the abscess them draw out and that's it. Them
so when,
right?
so
yeah,
you see two come on, I'm afraid. I went to a doctor attend to me one time and it's so good. You have the head doctors, you have the doctor that run the ward, then you have the trainee doctors. So it's good. Then you have the consultant. So it's really good. And it's a process as well, Glenn. You understand me? Then you have the nurse them now. We have to go through the emotion with you. Then, you know, it's just an experience. You hear me now, Glenn? I don't worry about no fingernails. So I make sacrifice, I make my fingernail grow. I not worry about
yeah, change queen.
Yeah,
Glenn,
man. Glenn, wait no man. Wait no man. It's when pain lick my dirty blood clot and me traumatized about my face. You see, like Brazilian here and the Brazilian here with the lace front. I said, God, how we want to fast this? Oh God, When I put on back the eyelash, Father God, me gonna make sacrifice. What's my husband always I tell me to stop wearing the long finger there. You know, oh God. Of course, my old, me at 53. Love me with my old age, but still have life. Mr. Glenn, so I come like a 9 pit, and I got that shit. To the amount of sacrifice. I give her all of my clothes. I say, I'm going to take the clothes off. I'm going to go to the barrel. Why? Glenn! Oh God. Sometimes I remember back something one day, but too real for my own good, you know?
I'm even see a smile though, man. Like you're
That
good.
not tell about no, that not smile. I want to smile like a wave my fingernail. People are some bubble.
So how come you got airport now and them turn? I want when you got airport. Sorry. What now when you got airport?
Basically, I come down on a one-way ticket. I remember I run them, the run there now.
Yeah.
So the run them, just buy a one-way ticket and fuck off with England. I'm an energy may I protect. Fuck that. I never born in England. Moving a blood clot. So I run them coming in it. So the run them coming now. My boots, my kids them for come down here for holiday, so them come spend a couple time with me. Remember my husband joined me. Along the time, the join, my husband joined me. I get bookings, Jamaica, Guan, Sands, Dream Weekend, Chuggate. What the fuck? When me I go back to England, go with, so me just work with the floor. When me ready for come on my yard, no flight, no the flight them have for £2,000 and them they on reserve and who they on standby, so me have to just watch by. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I can't fly Virgin, I can't fly British Airways to it.
I'm still about to say, right?
Glenn,
Queenie,
when
let
me
me
see
ask
the
you on the
amount of
banana
blood
flight, my
clot
virgin.
baggage, ready now, man. When me see the amount of baggage with the on my head, I say, remember when me did that thing on Latour say. The girl on there, Latour's Kamal, the host, Latour, one thing I love with Queenie, you know. Queenie not take nothing serious. Everything Queenie take for joke. So you see when me see some pretty smile. I can't take my for joke when me see my face, so let me say. I say, Father God, me not wear no more fingernail. I tell you, man, I make some sacrifice in the hospital to No, I'm smiling a lot to me, Glenn. God knows. So it make me think different. Yeah, man. It not change me, but I tell you,
You might have difference, man.
it's thick.
Some
It's
people
thick.
out there right now
So
that
I still
period.
have no ticket.
It's still not a ticket, so man.
So
Okay.
tomorrow, Wednesday, I go back out there again because somebody have to miss them flight or somebody I go.
You know, see that. So you do it.
Hey,
We
people
don't
have
want
to
to say
take the
before me
people
do that, man, but I know.
people have to lose the people win. And people have to death.
Mm-hmm.
I have to lose for winning a life. Enough things to the game. I
That
got
is
to my
it.
place in a life right now. We just have to laugh. So I see this laugh take her from me. I don't have to go up on my knee, man. Hey, I keep some devotion in the hospital at morning time. You know. I can't put on the jazz, man. 10 to 6, 5:30. The Lord is my
They
shepherd.
wake up the hospital.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm in the wall of it. Oh my God. Hospital come like a bucket. Listen, man. When me in the hospital, you know, that time they stop my bus from inside, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So the bus set a bus from inside. They send my mouth open, it smell like down a river town, you know. Remember nobody don't know that part about it, you know,
Yeah.
Glenn. So a whole heap of different thing about it will traumatize me. So when me see that come through the house now and put how much in cotton, you spit in a cup and then whole heap of something, you know, me I say, they must can use one syringe. I tell the doctor them how to do them thing now, you know. They must can use one syringe and syringe up the rest of something. That's when the
Mm-hmm.
doctor them I tell me, say them have to attack it from outside and inside, them have to I don't have big baby. I said, suppose I said, no! But I'm going to cut the face. Why? A piece of blood clot balling. All me here. When my ball, my ball to my belly, and I hurt me to blood. Why? My ball, Glenn. Me and hear one spirit said to me, said, trust and obey. That's how I start singing, trust and obey. Take God away.
I'm glad you're
Yeah.
alright, man. Cause when I go for UC now, all for people sit in the hospital and something, just have to give that God thanks and not nobody up
Why,
there.
Glenn?
Trust
I see
me.
some things
It's
in
not
the
a good sign,
hospital.
man.
I see some things in the hospital where I will not repeat, but it made me appreciate life, and it made me appreciate the fact that I went to the hospital for just the situation that I was in, because some people have some condition. When you see some people condition, brother, me just have to remember my daughter when she did not feel the pain, and I said, God, when this I gonna stop? What kind of nightmare this? I don't like to make the pain stop for the whole 24 hours. You feel pain. And for go back to hospital, Glenn, and see me a ball and I create this excitement over there. When I tell me run the outside of the ward, you know, I sit down outside, I take fresh breeze, because I say I could have walked on the sea got England, but I got England right now. Remember, war go on Friday, so I come off of the ward. Yeah, trust and obey. At that time, through the hospital, trust and obey. I hit me sing 24. My business about nothing else more than trust and obey. Anyway, so I want to breathe because I feel cluster clothes in the hospital. Remember, I can't make the amount of noise when I make because I'm noisy naturally. But I have to take in consideration that I am a patient.
Right.
You understand? So the fact that I'm a patient, me and myself, full of energy, see I'm in a Glen, but my mouth lean, so I say, you know, I'm go downstairs, go talk to the tree them and the breeze them and get like a fresh air. So I tell the nurse I'm going to get fresh air. She said, oh, far, I go, I'm not go far, I promise. 10 minutes after I saw a nurse come, I taught me, you leave the ward and you didn't tell anyone. I said, I did, you know, nurse. Remember, I know when I calm and nice, you know.
Yeah.
Respect me when I calm. So I said, I did, you know, nurse. No, you're lying because I asked everyone. Remember, I wrote 9 words, or 9 nurse upon the ward. So the one let me tell good go and piss nurse. Leave. I don't lie, me I tell. So when me I tell the nurse, leave me alone. Can't remember me have manners in and I have principle regardless
Yeah.
of the fucking
Until you
accent.
switch.
Remember,
Yeah.
me nice before I switch. Me get that long rope. I remember them I take care of me, so I'm not gonna be rude.
Yeah.
So I said no, so I did here or no. Why am I lying? So me hear the woman, me say your black nurse so upstairs a lying. Woman, don't make me rude to you. Because I want black nurse, me tell. So I see constantly I tell me say me a lie. Chat to me up on Instagram and them expect the worst of me.
Yeah.
Them
Yeah.
provoke me.
They provoke you, true, man.
Yes, so like when I go a Pegasus and the woman hear me in my room, I talk on my phone and I go tell me, say somebody tell her, say me in the room. But me say, but miss, if me just pass on this and hear what somebody in the room I fuck, me should have called her and tell her, say me hear somebody I fuck, now tell me that.
Right.
So because I'm full of argument, I ask the woman that I'm walk out of the room and go downstairs. It's a Pegasus and I say, miss, I don't want to stay here because I don't feel comfortable. Remember principle this now, I've Glenn. So I use soft answer and turn away right. I call Portmore and I ask Chamber to come pick me up. Chamber and take 1 hour for reach a Pegasus and I move out. Blood clot. Around 12 hours after me hear say, oh, me tell the woman at Pegasus to come suck me. And this, that time, I say, what? Mr. Glenn? Bumbo, oh, stop tag me now. Oh, I go on over some over here. Your old Queenie said she feel. What
That's
color? What
that's your fruit. Wait a second, wait, catch your
black?
fruit. Wait
I
a
don't
second.
know what to say. What? all the them
I
things.
thought,
How will them some do?
I'm in front of you. Oh, yeah, produce the word. He said, wait a second.
I remember what I said. I saw my remix thing. That's some naturalist here. Mr. Glenn, when me hear the people them say, oh, me cause the people them up a Pegasus, Mr. Blood clot. Just to be real and raw and vulgar and not put on close by my argument for please society. They will just try to shut you down, and that's what society do. Look why you again. Me music Martin I drive. Mr. Me have one ads to do. Himself for go over you in the cancel. Mr. Me don't want to go over no you him. Me show him a spot in a Glen. That's why I
Yeah.
love Miss Poem. So no Queenie. You know music
What is
Martin have a
it?
little, him have a little contents and I'm a little marketing friend and so I'm saying no Queenie. You have a mad over the unit side. I know I'm mad over everything, so it's right then. We could go over there. When Mr. Unit, the big red side, what spell IW? How unit spell?
Yeah. UWI.
You know why I get it wrong? You spell it clear.
UWI, Queenie.
Yeah. So I'm going to see the little red side now. You got to turn your shoe. Because you know I'm excited for this live. Run on it with my little two ponytail here. Look so cute and say, don't have the boat ride. I want boat ride me I promote, you know. I'm going to sip on TikTok. Somebody said, come say, oh, Queen, you have no manners. I should go over you. We got this up you. And I said, me got this up you. School get holiday. I'm going to go up on the campus. I saw them give me a basket. I said, I go over there. So I said, move on the blood clot and I sell drugs over you. When I fuck, suck, lick and bite and charm. I say, when I offer blood clot rent over you. I class them dirty blood clot. I mix up curry goat with stew peas. I mix up everything my bumper blood clot. All women don't know from women don't know. Move on the blood clot. Move your blood clot.
You see, they put up signs saying, man,
So we are not Glenn. No, leave me to talk. Don't leave me because I used to send my friend request. So I don't want to talk to nobody else. Glenn.
yeah.
So when me in a hospital now, I remember say you were them they tell I say me come this the empty land where me go do a ad span. That's a bumble clot. Me there you me a fret now I get enough something me a fret about in Glenn. So me I say bumble clot the same people them where one you at the hospital. The girl said no, two different parts. One a bad girl up there, one a the cleaner them. Call me, I said to her, I said, then right, I said, them little like me. She said, no, the campus different from over the hospital part. Mr. I put on a piece of prayer in my girl. Mr. Father God, please may I beg you, see if my face come out good, Father God. Me not worry about no fingernail, Father God. Me not put on about no fake eyelash, Father God. Me I go be natural, me I go grow my ear. Mr. I talk some blood clots, something, me I go give the whole of my clothes then. Me I go take out the clothes and I send them, go send them, I say, Glenn, oh my God. Hey, when you're back against wall, it's a hell of a blood clotting. You know, remember no data on Instagram. You know, God, well, me know God, me remember.
That's true, man.
So, Glenn.
When them sit and show God, you get humble for true and realize it. Especially come out type message with our words.
Imagine me see 6 doctor, we're a real doctor. Then 6 new young doctor. Then 6 other consultant doctor. Just doctors. Some one of them must over the campus where this summer come this the campus. You understand all the way running on my brains? I will if something go on, man. It's a bomber clot experience that we get up this at the backside. You know, so my face look like accident right now. Look at my face. I'm a good spirit, you know. When I'm having a pro-veil, you know, because every time I look at my face, I say, bomber clot. That's why when you have pretty face, you have to make use of pretty face, because when face dent up and look like patrol to blood clot, you have to wonder.
Oh man, you're good man. Thank God son not no worse. Cause some people just the other day tell me that you about somebody will go, you know, and them face where is a tumor them find in them face. Yeah, we just give God thanks, Queenie. Could that be worse?
Right now, I can't laugh. You know, I'm tell you something, I'm my clothes and my everything are ready for my face come back. You must think of joke, brethren. Now, if I pack up them there and give them away and sacrifice that, I
So give all your nice clothes them, but they're not easy.
I all brought them, I tell them, cute to them. It no matter my old broke and new broke to my family. Them have whole heap of generation. Me I carry them regret some of them man. Fuck that. You understand me? Cutie. Where you do man? Me not tell them when me see the whole heap of doctor man. Me I remember all the me I remember everything, Glenn. Me I remember everything. The child school fear. That most of all me give gratitude right now. When me hear all my voice sound different and me I try practice. Say my pussy clean. Hear my son say pussy clean. Say my pussy say me I say God. Remember me have to work with my face, Father God, when I get God. Number one wife you want me. Me still always
So when they call me, who this I talk? Come never pick up say you when they call me when they check in.
Yeah man, my voice sound
Yeah.
different. Hey, you see I see the two eye them black and blue. I want the stages go out with one something, you know. Yes, when I see two eye black and blue, I get two potato and put over the eye. I say, sure, enough time I get black and blue eye and it cover. But I now realize that black and blue eye is different from abscess. So everything is an experience that you're not too old for learn. You understand me? When you have black and blue eye, take time and wear out, but this is access we have in whatever the fuck it's something there, yeah?
Yeah.
So, in myself, I said, come on, me tough man. But it's when it's something bust, I saw my guy, you know, and I say, my taste, I say, do my taste something like blood. You say, my taste it? Akeem said to me, said, no crazy on the blood, the tuna where you did I eat. Remember, me and I eat that. So I say, they said me open my mouth, everybody in the car, there's something stinks. I said, Jesus Christ, God, it's a come to my mouth. What? Glenn! Alright, this is the first attempt it make fun.
Don't kill me.
Glenn, this is before me reach the hospital. I know something I'm going to clean up, Glenn. So when I make that nice now, do we give me the wipes? So I'm going to put the wipes in the cup. So I'm going to put the wipes in the cup. The more I taste it, I'm like, Jesus Christ! We said to blood clot. We said, Glenn.
It's every time.
To blood clot. What's me at the cup? But you know what freaked me out? The smell. The smell of it scare me.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put my mouth and I smell it. I'm going to go to the cup. We said, Jesus Christ! Pass to go to hospital. Call mother. Why? Call DJ. Why? And the man them the pan. Got two more man in their car. Crazy. They have to show the doctor them tell me, say them I got attack it from two sides. How the way them say it, you know? Say them have to attack it from two. Why? No! Who the God got the friends on, please? Jesus Christ. When God see me, I raise my blood clot. At 220, my blood pressure reached again. When them say my blood pressure reach 220, I say that's just machine. Hey, I have a frame of mind and mindset this, man. Trust me. Yeah, man, all the spirit upon trust and obey. And that's how I start sing. Trust and obey. You know the way you ask yourself to be happy. Jesus is the trust. And the woman them start help me sing. See, 9 nights on 8 hours after. When the two little start man come, I want to have something like them, like I want to have a little lights and something. I said, no! No! Why?
So I was probably BJ there, should they?
Who feels it? BJ that day here, BJ still come. Who feels? Glenn, who feels it was a journey, though. I remember, you know, them something I just live as a life, an obstacle to make. You make certain changes and steps in a life, you know? Because as much as me I take it, make joke, it's when I see my blood pressure reach 220. I mean, them I drop down so my blood pressure, I hear me now. It prefers I more than it low. I try everything. I try everything to make myself trust and obey. I'm going to rate myself for that trust. I go on body now. You think I
Shani
do? I'm
say
going for
Queenie
doctor
entertain
to
the
get one
account.
book. I want pen and draw my face. I'm so Queenie, my girlfriend love you. Listen, Queenie. And when him draw it and do it, say, see it at true, Madonna, you know. I'm say, all right, Dad. Let me do it.
I'm gonna just smile, man. You're
Yeah,
just happy and I laugh,
man,
you
we
know?
give God thanks. That's why I
What to
come
say?
live a while ago and I hear the song and I see me in a laugh and a dance. I say, Bumbo Clot. Because I never realized that I get back my smile. So a while ago, I say, Bumbo Clot, I forgot go live, make them see me a smile. Yeah, man, still strong. DJ Friday, yeah, man, trust me. Hey, me not lie, it's a journey, it's a journey. What that time, you know, Glenn, we're going to them have a little hole in era.
Mm-hmm.
A little hole in era when you come and visit, you can sit down out there and wait. I'm sit down in there, you know, Glenn, and I say, but even though I'm sick, I have a piece of energy. I don't know where I get that energy from, you know. I have to love God, you know, Glenn. I saw no me, I say, but the people them book me for come at them party, and I sit down in there so with this energy. I'm going to disappoint everybody, and I sit down in there. Yes, my blood pressure at 220, you know. But I still not feel like my blood pressure, my chat, my laugh, it's just that my face twist. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so you can't hear the difference in my voice. I just call my husband and I say, do it. You see the little black mask? Bring the little black mask. I'm going to escape out of the hospital. I'm going to work. But then I give me 100,000, moving a blood clot and leave me alone. How much man pussy I drop out for underneath them and them still have to go up to work or work to make them ready. Understand? People
Yeah.
just shallow minded. People are going to work, them have piling of them bottom, them have boiling of them gum. It's truth. Them have bunny and on them foot, and they go through a lot of discomfort. Then you have
Yeah.
people, one box them get on them lie down and ball for all 2 months and not come out of the bed. You have some woman, man tapping at them throat, tapping at them belly, and then still go, they go hustle. You understand? So
Yeah,
it's
that's true.
no arm to it. Me not jeopardize my life. Me have a fucking abscess. If them never have machine or something in the woods back in the days and the abscess, them would have take it, squeeze out the abscess,
Upstairs.
and get some green banana, scrape it, put some kerosene on it, at it and tie it for your blood clot face.
Mm-hmm.
So when me a little bit more full of them, I grow with them. In my face, in my eye, on my pussy, when me I grow with boil. Them call it boil. But either way, my point is, because of society and machine, because let me tell you with the blood pressure machine, when I there in England, my blood pressure got 208. You see, me see got 220, I find all kind of excuse. Me say, miss, you see just the fact that to look for you and say you're going to do the blood pressure, that alone raise my blood pressure. Me say, miss, you see the fact that me there Jamaica so hot and I go through menopause, that alone raise my blood pressure. You see the machine by itself for them use when me never know back in the days about blood pressure, it raise the blood pressure. So you see the whole heap of counteraction when me give myself feel justified.
Mm-hmm.
It's a mind over matter. It's about to doing. All right. You know, my brother Jerry said to me yesterday, Glenn, him says, sis, you have people with that degree and them going to a meeting with 10 people and they don't have a personality. They don't have any customer service and them don't know how to embrace that 10 person. And so you as my sister we don't have a degree. People expect the worst from you because they don't know the morals of you. But if you are to face a room with 100 people without being vulgar in a dispute, my personality can accommodate that 100 people. Comparing to that person who have that degree, what can't face that 10 person.
Mm-hmm.
You understand the difference? So me as a drunk or a vulgar shithouse for them class, me can accommodate a platform of people upon a professional manner. Good morning, how are you, my dear? You have a lovely day. Don't worry, God go with you. But these people, because them have degrees, Them come and them skin up your face and said, put it there, leave it right there. And just the tone of way they speak to you, it's not professional. But because them have degree and they're in society, and me get so they override me and don't see the power of me if you stand up for 100 people where you could stand up for 10. You get the difference? So my boldness, my realness, my personality, because I'm so sweet. That's when the nurse come to me and I say, God, look how this woman at trouble me after me day I fret, I give her my clothes, them now wear fingernail, I fret it, me I go get my smile. She come, she would even like know my emotion, me I secure. Me talk to myself, Glenn. So when she said, me leave it, I said, no, I told someone. I told the black nurse. No, I lie because me ask everybody and something. I root through her, I root through her until I left, right, and center now. But I still condole myself and just get a little neat bullet. You understand?
Yeah.
So come back round. So she will have the degree for be a nurse. Now look on the diversity of me as a person. She look on me through me a queen, I'm a vulgar and loud. So I can't stay cluster closing, whatever, the fucking something. And
Yeah.
me no want like a fresh air. Me can survive. No, me can't survive, woman, if me never come on with a mad. Cause all this me I do is therapy for me. Me can night. I mean, it's sweet, me. Understand me? So it give me that smile. It give me that comfort. People don't understand that. Queenie, this sweat starting to look like bugs and what?
Crawling up.
Over if baby make it stay sweat natural. Rachel could have sweat and she could have shoot and she could have piss. Leave me. You know, like fight against nature too much. Me sit down right here, so I sweat out all of the antibiotic and the pus and the corruption and all of everything. And the OB when me have blood clot work, when I can start OB on a nasty, dirty blood clot. And one bus load of OB me I bring for no dirty blood clot. And one bus load of blood. Me not justify myself. Me I work any blood clot OB me I work it for. Me I not go work it. Yeah. Leave me alone, man. When I love iniquities and I sit down and I plan for people and I know people life and what them I do and I swear and I love me make my work my go there. I come from St. Order, can't fit. Bow! Make them wear it. Come through my can coop. I mean I call no foul. Or them a choop. I mean I slide. Yes, man.
I just dress up
Interesting.
Peter Queenie and put on your clothes and man and put on
No,
the
I
thing
mean,
and
you
just
know,
cut.
you tell God to me I do it.
It's but make a living on Queenie, bless up yourself. And if
Glenn, love
anything,
you.
man, love you
Love you. What you
too.
playing? I know what you playing. Look, every day I say playing them pass. You know see it? Yeah, every plane pass. That's a British Airways. Right, that's the airport there. So all British Airways we have to pass me out and have no space for it.
Don't it?
Love you, Queen. Glenn later, Glenn.
Virgin it funny though, cause look like
Glenn, bye. Them not gonna lift the band. Make keep silent for true fire in. Yeah, man. I'm glad I get back my smile. Some of the business that nobody wants, so them can come suck my big tour. When you reach home, moving a blood clot, when I come put up on me, I drugs me. Supposed to carry blood clot drugs come to England. Yeah. Tell the immigration and the customs to stop my dirty blood clot. Come, I go push it up in my pussy and my suitcase and my bag in my ear. Tell them to search me from head to blood clot tour. Come I come with a jeep load of blood clot drugs and a jeep load of blood clot over. Phone of the light me I work with. Any blood clotting you don't want to eat my work with. You reach one winter, I grudge you. I grudge you winter. Oh God. Jamaica nice at you. I don't answer, but don't have to me, you can't deny it. No matter what more I go home. Yeah, man, a bad man for my spirit, a rich spirit me have. Them I come chat blood clot. I'm supposed to over on a dirty blood clot because I want to mind me. So when I over on it make me go up on stage. Anybody me for over a Father God. Because Father God have it all forgive me. I stink like hand and me where I sweat out. Father God, have it all to give me. Yes, I aim for Obi forgive me more. So I don't understand no Obi blood clot story. Yes. One Jeep load, that big blue royal crazy van there. Yeah. It may I carry a pussy clot England with the Obi and the jug. See that? I Obi and the drugs that it me a full with blood clot drugs. When me done to blood clot, me turn drugs cartel and Obi cartel to blood clot. Yeah. Nobody not full of Obi like blood clot me. It sound good and nice, man. And that you no live for. Just no be a Queenie. Come off from my phone. You come off from my phone. When you can't hear me now, I can't find the muting button. When me find it, fix the sound. When you can't hear me now, yeah, can me mute it and the mute button hide. When you not hear all now, no, you can't hear now. Yeah. Yeah, me say me just block somebody with name best something another was say me not for call Father God name. So me block her because all when you just done murder a man and tell the wickedest lie under the most covetous something, the best somebody to go to is Father God. So if I love vulgar and loud and not expect the worst from me, I say Father God, you gotta tell me stop for call Father. You're Lucifer, so I block you. So if you come back on fake page and you try something else, anybody will pass them place now a blocking time. We hear, would I hear me now? Yeah. Yeah, so may I say now, back to the drugs now and the obeah. One Jeep load of drugs, one Jeep load of obeah. And at the end of a good day, I'm married 23. Leave Amari, I'm a capache. Leave blood clot Amari alone. If it wasn't me and Amari, there would be no entertainment for this thing. And leave the woman alone. Make she trouble blood clot me. Because I trouble she the come for trouble me for making her get entertainment. So it's a balance. You have the good and the bad. Leave the blood clot man and don't bring the woman name over here to me. Leave her as my friend. I don't she not like me to pussy clot. If I never she trouble me, me and her in this thing. Leave her for that. Yeah. All me know me a smile. Every day my company need a ball for young boy. So I'm to that. You want my ball for you? The young boy not ball for me, so me ball for him because I have enough balling. Him not have the ball in blood clot guts. Me have a ball, that's why I'm strong and mighty feel no blood clot. You saw me sweat healthy. Ball out the pressure, ball out the problem, ball out the pain. PPP. Pressure, problem, and pain. Bah! Strong and mighty and loud. You know, you hear me telling you? Power to the queen. From me, I smile right now to Rascal. It's a million and Jeep load of money me get. Kada Wampum, how are you, Kada? But they are show off through their smile. Don't man, look at them up face. May I have my big stretch out, healthy and wealthy. Yes, Chippy. May I have my big stretch out. Hello. May I have my big stretch out. Laugh. Yeah, I get back my big skittle laugh. I ball any blood clot. I mean, I borrow no blood clot, girl, balling. I mean, I have to pay no tax or no insurance for my balling. I have to sign up and register for my balling. When I come on the line, if I never ball the nurse, I'd was to slap me to cry. So balling is a language. Leave me, I'm a balling. Me now, it's my ball. Mm-hmm. One ignorant over my face. But like it's like how I sit and the water bounce off of me turn me on. It feel good. Truth. I remember my skin is on a bleaching skin. So when the accident dent up here, you know, like when the car lick up and you have to car the body man with them dent sandpaper it out and juke it. Mm-hmm. When I say anything I would come, I really for black somebody in 280. I can black all 10 somebody in idea. 10 out of 10. Because I know I'm interested in I have to come back and watch me. Remember, I'm not watching no bomber wall in us. So if you don't know where I know, no go. For my element of energy is my element of energy. I watch my own blood clots and I restore my own energy. That's power. Power to the people and all my true royal crazies. But there's no interest of you to come in trouble because I'm not coming on your page to watch you to get any energy. I sit and watch my ugly face on there airport or I look pop down and I still have the guts to put the camera up on myself and say, you think the phone could I do that? You know, if I look, I don't fucking care. My mouth not twist. I let my mouth twist and blood clot lean can't talk. Someone have to look good for company on the internet. Any blood clot way, I look my day warm. My rough and my tough and my body and blood clot mighty. Power to the queen. Move on a dirty blood clot. When I have to beg man for buying a Brazilian here and for makeup and eyelash when I feel justified. Any blood clot, all of me look like my blood clot me this. I love myself for any situation I'm in. And when I'm ready, I'm suited and booted and bag, designer shoes, royal jewelry, necklace, using eyelash, full of blood clot hotness. Moving a dirty blood clot. More look like a cross right now. Have a cat smile. We can't impress nobody down at this blood clot. Me so the government say the less clothes you can wear down here, better with fear and walk with water. I say every walk me take one bucket of water and wet up myself. Me don't know when I told a lady in the hospital give me that clothes I want to have it on. My friend went some. Me and I pray and do. And she said, Queenie, God love you. Everything we take for joke. Me the woman have a piece of devotion I want in here, Ivan. I'm a find one little pin in the hospital too, you know. She named Christina. I gave her my number. She had 12. One little special need pin. I do want tea for her and I say, oh God. Would I open my home and get bare special need kids them? I love them. You know, Queenie, shut up. You know, special need kids. They are very loving. Move your dirty blood clot. Where? And leave me alone. I'm supposed to match young boy and keep my blood clot active. Yeah, that's part of the ras clot activeness. So when you're old and lame, young boy, keep your blood clot active and prioritize the amount of blood clot problem then get to post clot. Move your blood clot and leave when it's ready. Ready to get by my smile. So ready, you just come on the live, come just see you. But me start over about my argument again. So ready, so you don't know some day I lie down and I say, Bumbo clot. Me have some sweet tune I will play upon the radio and a Cool FM. Because my mother stuck already upon Cool FM, you know. So when you hear all them music, you know, hear them, remember them till you come up Jamaica, you know. But tell them, look how me I sweat. This is Jamaica, watch out. I sweat that, you know. This pure sweating out, what's up? Healthy. In the morning sun. We don't hear them tune, they are cool and friendly. You should know. Woo! Woo! Wonderful! And then it's beautiful. Yes, so I got me then all of vibes and I hear the sweet tune that my sister I get back my smile. Cause when me there at the hospital, me a fretting on. I'm gonna get the back of olive oil. I make my mother pray over it. My mom. I say my mother want to pray over this. And my mom pray over it. I'm some feels to some of the hospital and me I say. So this morning now me hear the sweet music them pan. Cool effect over there, white all advice. And I say, Bumble clap, me gonna make me real crazy them to say me get back my smile. I saw me come live. My face won't come back with you. Yes, I saw me come live now and say, Bumble clad, Queenie. When me look them start trouble me. So, my business if you don't want to trouble me. I hope when me trouble back on a dirty blood clot and I can't take it. Move on a dirty blood clot and leave me. With my crazy excited self, I'm excited for life. I'm a pitney where dead I'm gone. May I live for me and she live and see me excited and crazy. I mean, I make she dead and see me seeing blood clot way. Now I forgot kill me dirty blood clot and where? I drugs enough for wait for now. Go to Gatwick. Eat through all of the airport them and tell them to me I look flight. I may bring one jeep load of drugs and one jeep load of blood clot over there come for no dirty blood clot. You know, look over there is a jeep load that may I bring come for no. Anybody forget blood? I don't forget make me eat face ill. I mean, take a toll for myself. Our life take a toll for me. You need to take a toll for yourself. Don't watch my toll. Because when you go to the toll, if you don't have no money for pay through the toll, you can't go through the toll. So you can't watch my toll where whatever take toll for me. Go look what take toll for you allow blood clots. You know, go ahead. Blood clot vampires. Silver blood clot. It's me ready for no nasty blood clot for put my phone up in my bottle and suck on a blood clot through my bottle. That's why them over my face. Alright, Trudy, you have to get black. Thank you. Yeah, your mama over my face, Trudy. Bye now. Over my face, I have black the right person. Wait. Trudy, full force. That's why them over your face. Alright, Trudy, you know who over my face? Yeah, your mother over my face, Trudy. You will get black. Big barrel. I wonder if I for black that. Big barrel, yeah. I think you forget black. Rude. Your mama pussy tongue was a big barrel and it rolled down the blood. Gully. You don't care my black, alright, not my black you. Thank you. Alright, you don't care my black you, well me black you, alright? You man don't forget black. It's who else not care about black? That's a tree somebody my black. Anybody else? So come just be rude and then I'll come off of this blood clot. Where? Come off of my TV. Still beautiful Queenie, thank you. Anybody else wanna get black and come back on their face fake page? Black him. Him who forget black? Where name? Why me sneak up? Me sneak up go work. I have booking, not do my more than I have access. I still have energy. How you feeling? I'm feeling good. You ever tell me I smile. Alright, nobody else not be rude. Don't, yeah man, I'm allowed half of that man. Make me be rude and rehabilitate myself. Don't see me vulnerable and sick and still want this me. And I might have TV, it's rude. It's what the rude of you not, okay? Don't let them give you. Some of them did tell you for black, the man Queenie. Black who? The time you know the lady, black them go sneak out. And to behave. I have good skin, I short. I say, I love you, see, I have sense. Yeah, you know, yeah, I tell you the spirit saying at the hospital, so trust and obey. Come to the ball, I create excitement with my dramatic self. And I raise my blood pressure. And the spirit just said, trust and obey. There's no other way than bright like empty fridge. Stop paying mind Queenie. Just to happy in Jesus. When I see me in a dance a while ago, I make a bubble clot, I get back my smile. Yeah, my skin nice. I'm in a bleach. I always tell them I'm in a bleach. People say I'm a bleach. I'm fool. You look like me fucking bleach too, no? Yeah, any pussy this. My black them. So I live down here now, my love. Love you too, Rockets. Alright, so take care of yourself. You hear the song, so take good care, okay? I just come off from my sister I get back my smile. Because when I watch a video, I do at airport yesterday, I said, Bumbo Club. My face look like down a river town with the whole heap of junk them there, man. My face just look rubbish. But sending love from Port Maria sent me. Oh, that's nice. Me just happy say you're fine and have like. Thank you, me too. I may smile number one life. Me think I lose my smile and I swear to God. I'm not even worry about the face like how I see my friends you know, I talk to me. I say, God, you don't have to give up my face. What, at my airport? They don't have a space and flight none of them. I go back at airport tomorrow go look flight. Them tune ya. Yeah, man, you there at Jamaica, hear them cool. It's cool radio. So the good or the best. Take the good or the best. Life goes on. You hear that? Happy to see you okay. You never get to see me, Miss Scarlett. You soon see me, baby. Okay? I'm going to take care of myself. Let's have a comeback. No, I did not have a date to return. You like don't listen, or you just come on the live. I came on a one-way ticket. I ran away from England. Okay? Safe and sound. Can't wait to meet me in a real life. You will. Send it out into the universe. It will happen. Blessed be thy name. I'm going to take care. You're such an inspiration. Thank you. Hello?
Queenie,
What?
big up yourself. It's so nice to see your beautiful face. I'm so happy you're doing well.
I was playing there.
Huh? England.
Me pump, Mr. Girl. You're damn if you do it, you're damn if you don't. Mr. Girl, the way Jamaica at the backside, if you go in the house outside, and the Jamaica have a piece of eat there. But you know the beauty of it? It just make me sweat. I just know I'm healthy and I recover, I heal. It's nice.
You look a lot better, and I'm so happy. Thank God.
Blessed
Just take
love.
it easy. Take care of yourself. Be in good spirits.
Girl power, blessed
God
love.
go with you. It will all be fine, okay?
Thank you. All right, baby
All
girl.
right,
Yes,
baby.
love.
Have a good day.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, what a nice girl. Jamaica at all right at 10 minutes to 11. I'm gonna need the pipe on 4 times for morning. I just gonna turn on the water on my face and just make it run for me for all 3 minutes and come over. I'm gonna come up and make the water drop off. I'm gonna wipe off the water and I just stand up and say, oh, remember some I go through menopause, you know. Plus Jamaica at plus me at a 3 stage of blood clot that me I go through. And then you have mood swings in a menopause, you know. Whole heap of things to life, you know. So some of booger nose blood clot girl at time. I just push up my mouth and said, what you make a bumble idiot then? You understand? Experience becomes knowledge, and that's a fact. So me as a big man, you know, I see me at 53, I'm hyperactive. You know how much man at 50 of them can't move? Menopause, drape them, box them, kick them, flick them like blood clot flip pattern. You see me, my cuss and make nice and sweat out that blood clot, my better than menopause. I'm still at the blood clot period with my old blood clot 53 years. When you sometimes all 3 weeks last a period, I want to know dirty blood clot. You can't stop nature. You can't stop nature. What you know? You don't know nothing about nature. You don't know nothing about midlife crisis. And when women go through fears in life, you don't want to come tell them about what to take toll for me. I'm tell her, go find out to take toll for yourself. Because me know when me go on the toll part, when me take toll and when me pay. So everybody have to take them own a blood clot toll. And when your belly hurt, no matter how you tell me, I can't feel that. No, you can't tell you, hush. You hear that? Everybody feel them own pain. So no cock up on no caca clot. And skin out in a bumper ass. And think you can't make my clot. Life is fair, no pain, no gain. We all feel pain. Pain, pain, pain. What the fuck do you know? Now you got chat blood clot, you God do no finger for type. Sometimes when I type arthritis and I know dirty blood clot finger, and I'm not even type to arthritis at hurt. Allow me. Where? Honestly, I'm afraid for the most material things. All my people, natural energy and nature, I don't appreciate it. When I sit down and I cuss about my clothes I'm wear. Now me have a big grey pussy, grey tone, blood clot woman. Where I go through menopause, womanopause and child blood clot pause. Sometimes I can't even, not even drawers me no want put on. When I sit down I decide what I for wear and what I for put on or who no I go comfortable in for me. When I think like my bottle when my wipe earlier on. When I need to understand yourself and sometimes when I not type, when I think of what you're saying. Sometimes down to the drawers that you put on. If it's a juice thing, it eat out your bottle and sort your dirty blood clot. So you better not even put on one drawers just to be comfortable. No one tell me, big great one, great ass, dirty vulgar Queenie, want a class and tell me I'm awful and disgusting. What me for put on because I don't feel comfortable. For me, dress up. I what you want. Morning, I do this.
Big old Queenie go suck your mother and come off of the internet. That's why I do it no want you.
That sound goodie?
Suck a Queenie and suck cocky.
Then that not nice.
Queenie
You know when
I
the
lick up back.
cocky in your pussy and when the cocky at work and it's sweet and you just take it and suck it off. That not nice.
Go a dirty woman, load the young girl them. That's why I do it.
Andrew, you can't hide your vice. I know you. Don't do it. I know who you are. You can't despise. Don't be stupid. Yeah?
That's why I do it. Now stop mad you. Go ahead and come off of the internet.
Andrew, behave your little self. I do it for mad me. I am married to me. You could have mad me.
Come off of the internet. So
Andrew,
sick y'all.
I know sir you. I know your voice. You can't trouble me. I fuck you come over here at all.
You feel
Not
and shrivel up.
go and talk with me listen.
Your tongue white like Queenie come out of the people them house. So what do you?
What color you want my tongue to be?
More your tongue pink and whatever black clot
Well,
you
I'm
say.
put my tongue in your pink bottom. I'm gonna put my tongue in your pink buttonhole. My tongue will get the color of your buttonhole. So like how you want skin out your buttonhole and
But you have no ambition for your woman. Come off of the internet, girl. You need to come off.
Andrew, come back. Come back. Come tight. Let me see if you're bright. I never know some people still cause people say them suffer. Look like I ears my for fuck. My for suck. Andrew. I want boy will always come from my life. Me know who don't mind blood clot, Andrew. Andrew, you're confused like the queen. God go with you. Come back. And then what at this somebody want to cuss me and them can. Because what kind of fool cussing that? The way my mouth saucy to blood.
Auntie!
What? The way my mouth saucy to blood.
My auntie what me?
My day
But
every
I
night.
always tell her say don't follow negative energy. Don't I always tell her that?
Where you the dashboard? How are you the there? How are you the there?
My auntie my day about man a true work.
Work have your busy.
A true. My always tell her say don't follow negative energy. If you listen to every dog we are bark.
No, I saw my dog here, my sis. My cock, some of me.
If you listen to every dog we are bark. My auntie, because them not bite you, them only a bark.
Yeah.
Them only about them now bite you. So she in a 2023 people are cause people were sucking wood right now. And people are trouble people for them own life. Then people somebody just go say right just a while ago say fish. Right now to rate a whole life nice and me I live life to the fullest my blood clot. And if somebody says something negative about me right now, come through one year and go to the next
It
year.
just turn you on the white.
It just
Anything
turned me
I
on more. My auntie just turned me on more.
I got them. Them kind of ones that them
No
not
negative
understand.
energy right now. My auntie just
you get on the one.
my always I tell her say live my auntie.
I
Live,
thought
live, live,
from
live,
long
live.
time, I
And
want for time.
enough of them now gonna live for CA8 based on them negativity with them full up with them blood clot bread because them live for people on the media and them live for people in them yard.
Wait, 1 minute, do I? That girl figure who did cuss Queenie. So another same somebody was the SHY.
My good auntie, Stacey, I'm a good auntie Queenie.
Wait, then
All your friends always a top boy from England, Fatty from Rona, Chestnut in from the man. So you go look for her, Queenie. Denise, right.
Oh,
You know,
my blood clot, that good girl there with the left hand will do the ear, them man. So, a good friend Denise from down at Denham town, yeah.
Denise always a top boy, yo, Queenie.
Me not gonna look for her. Me get famous and they all over here, but she not hard.
You have to go look for her,
everybody for truth.
You have to go look for her. You know, when we sit down and talk about you, she talk about you England, and she say, hey, when you come in at the ear, just a sharp a judgment.
Wait there, stick a wally popping, don't move. Make us stick the Obia, darling. I'm going in that Obia segment. Stick the wally at that bit, darling.
I'm going to tell Queenie to penetrate by negativity.
We're gonna do white, man. Do white. Do white. Everything that I do white, man. Do white. I think that somebody that was a big up Queenie. Them can't stop her. It's not that the same somebody with my accept and say them near Andrew.
Yeah. Them.
Andrew. Oh God, baby. You know, I think I need help, but when you look for them something, oh, Andrew the
And them need more help more than you.
All right, continue now, do it, yes.
No,
well, Andrew,
yes, so we can't focus on negative energy, Queenie. We can't focus on. And this may I leave you with. We now focus on no locus. Because them are locus. I don't know what is the word locus, them go Google it.
Me not focus on no locus, yeah. Me not
focus. Them are that. Them are this.
Andrew, why you make fake page and name Shy?
Them are waste. Them are waste. Them are wasters.
Your daughter meet me and say, I'm a nice girl for truth. I'm not rude to people. I'm full of manners until people don't have no manners to me.
Bad to bad. Locust focus. Dark and lovely Tanisha say locust focus. Them are locust blood clot focus.
Focus! You're locust!
Sure. Me hate the
Locust,
people that will come up
locust.
with fake page and just class people for nothing at all. What them get out of that?
Locust, focus! You are
Can't not do
locust!
this
You
and
better
beat
focus.
Queenie. Buy a vehicle and park up for even at the yard, which is that evil year, and do this and beat her.
Focus, focus! Focus, focus! Focus, focus, focus!
A pure locust focus them.
Focus, locust!
A
Focus,
pure
locust,
locust
focus,
focus.
focus, focus, focus,
Queenie,
focus,
shake your
focus,
body for them, Queenie.
Eh?
Queenie, big up Queenie. Oh my. Big up Auntie Queenie.
Big up yourself right every time. Glory to God, say yes, come bless the Lord. Yeah, man, thank you, man. May I put in the God hard work and may I cover by the blood of Jesus. So you know it's have to heal.
Yeah, man. One love, you know.
All right, bless up. Yeah? Do what? Anytime I come back to England, make sure say you all at me and aunt me. So me you link up. Yeah? Love you, boy. Love you. Mwah. Focus, focus! Focus, focus! Me a smile! Focus, focus! Focus, focus! Oh my God! Ah! Oh God, get back my smile. When I go on, no, Andrew, why you be rude to me? I did that laugh. Don't laugh, you know. Boy, you come. Andrew, so you think you could disguise your voice on me? You know, so you need help, look, boy. Focus, focus! Queen Wave, Queen Chandy, hello. I remember when Queenie had Sting. She was nice even when the security guards were taking Amara to the ground. Oh, that nicey. Oh, my nice girl, don't mind either of them. My nice to true. But see if my heart ever leap, I'ma start singing blood clot. I have to protect myself and cuss. Don't bust the post out, Queen. What? The post? No, man, no post, no. Someone have to sing and be happy then. Alright, I'm gonna go on now, man. Don't tell me to do too much things. Later. Andrew, why you be rude? Why you tell me to make accept and then come and tell me say me so good? What kind of fool cussing that? Andrew, you have a little pitney, you know. Remember I say you must be 15. You have a little trouble, little bumper wall. You hear that? I wonder if them cock you up to rascal until they say if you do cock up is a 10 why you trouble that you feel. Don't make this a little dirty bumper clot, you know. Because I know say you remember the last time you come live with me and you asked me some question. You see my laugh? Don't make a rude to you, little boy. And you ask me some question and you repeat them and you laugh. And I say, but that's appropriate for him come and ask me. I need a good shower. You want to come bathe me? You could shower me, you know. Because if I'm man, I bathe 4 times already and then I shower out. We just make water wet up. If you find them a place, you scoop it out. Look at all. Okay, so I look at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rub this. Not more. Me going to say no, me ain't no rub it because I'm in a sour. And I'm sweaty. When you have good pussy, your pussy not just get up and think. So you have to go hours and then it turn touch. And then from it turn touch, you get cheesy and then it start the more hours. But I like me will be around an hour I go wash up. I don't have no soreness for your cover off of me. And they say, well, lick out, me lick out. Oh, me know Andrew. Because I know, sir, you, Andrew. Remember me at 53, you're young. And you reach out to me many times. So your voice recording on my brain. Do you understand? Yeah, me used to your voice. So because you young, you now work out, say me I gonna know say you Andrew. So you feel so true you go up on fake page and me not say me not gonna know say you, but you have to remember me is an experienced woman, I'm a quick. You understand? So if it was somebody when I come across as a younger, I mean know say you have issues. Because I remember when you're up on the live, Andrew them I said to you, say, Andrew is a girl or you're a man, I'm to leave him and he's not a girl. So a while ago you hear them I say you're a girl as well. But I know say you because of your voice, Andrew. So when you ask me how I know Andrew, if you say how I know say you, because I you same one this. You understand me, little boy? Don't be rude, because remember I'm disrespectful and if you are two you this, I'm this back your dirty blood clot until I say drunk or fuck you all start. Me rude or yeah, me not watch age, me watch words. So if you feel like say true you can't root to me, I'm gonna say true. I root to your dirty blood clot as little as you eat. Any little people when I have no manners to me, I not have about none to them. Oh, some if you sit down and make little people this bit, I said true them not live no life yet. I said trend for me. Out of this whole little dirty blood clot confused bumble wall. You understand? You know, reach out in a life yet for confused. You don't have no responsibility. You don't have no man when I want you. You know what you do now, Andrew, you just kill your hand. So it's when I go feel Grammy, you can't come from my blood clot life, come ask me nothing. Because remember last time I had upon this year, I asked me about Nicki Minaj. Well, oh, Queenie, shut up. Nicki Minaj. You understand, little boy? Don't be fucking rude. Because your mother good lady upon it, this is something all this thing. Your mother have special need and she don't know where I'm going. Because some of the parents, you know, did I get stitches? I must get stitches, but I don't know, you know, my ball. Wait there, no, man. I'm glad that somebody asked me if I get stitches. I never remember to tell Glenn that part there. So when they come back to do the operation now, them say them are going to dead in the era. They say it's I bad blood clot murder and then them draw the paper and tell me, I say yes. I want piece of clot them have to tie around my eye. May I have to tell the doctor, I say yes, me do the operation, I make them do it. And I make them do it. And then I forget one big piece of cloth, one thick piece of cloth and tie. Because if any movements me see, I go jump off of the blood clot table. It's a different speech. I can't act in them. I pretend for please no blood clot body. I'm afraid. So I go and bad. You know, like when you can't pick go to school and them don't want to stay or them bad and go and bad. Yeah, man, the doctor, what's your name? Dr. Robbins, so bless her. More life, thank you. Yeah, man, them have to tie down my eye card. Me tell them I don't want to see the doctor pass no needle. Me don't want to see the gloves. Me don't want to see no hand. Bumbo clad. No, I go through a rascal journey. I may tell you, say, I get back my smile. Smile a while. And give your face a rest. Raise your hands to the one you love the best. Then shake hands. All right, Chris. We do nearby and greet them with a smile. Thank God they reach one. Yeah, man, thank you. Little Keish. A little Keish at what, my little Keish? Yeah, man, my good by the grace of God. It soon be done. Strength. I don't blame you at all these troubles and trials. When I get Queenie come back to England on the other side, I'm gonna shake my hands with the elders. I'm gonna tell all the people good morning. I'm gonna sit down beside my Jesus. I gotta sit down. Only they don't can cock up no cock a clot and chat blood clot. Look a kiss up the baby. In my heaven, even now. Every time I go, and I cry enough. When I was in the hospital, nobody knew what I go through. I look to God. I look to God. Watch a goose pimple. Just and obey. There was no other way to God. I look to God. Why you think my black is the first somebody else? All when all the memories are gone. Still have to be strong and look to God. You hear me telling you? My balling at the hospital, me run how much in time from the doctor, them I run and create all kind of excitement. And I want to keep my calm. Trust and obey. Trust and obey. God me look to. No can stop my strength and my power and my belief. I'm powerful and mighty and strong. Because when I dead and I cause so much in clot, me still I say God. Trust and obey. There's no other way to be happy in Jesus. Oh, you know, Andrew. Oh, Miss need for unpin you. Everything will be okay. Thank you. Just keep being yourself. Let me not tell you something order to my daughter. Me not want no. So I'm sorry for no dirty blood clot. She write in her book. She said, Mommy, and that's your career. And be yourself and don't change for nothing. She have a blue book and she write, move on a dirty blood clot and go later. I look something for you. Anyway, my true all crazy. Say my testimony. Say your testimony. But I just test this. I just said my testimony. So if me telling us say my ball I run out of the bed and go to the bathroom, go lock up and ball. Now my testimony me I give for morning, darling. I test for money me I give I tell you say. When I go in the bathroom, I'm a ball till all my belly hurt me to blood clot. My ball so till me tight me no know what to do. And the spirit just come and say, trust and obey. Trust and what? Obey. That's my testimony. So why would you tell me to give testimony? I already did. I've been giving my testimony from morning. Said, I tell Father God, I'm going to stop with fingernail, I'm going to stop with eyelash, I'm going to grow my clothes, them, I want about my smile. That's how I come. Oh, were you not listening? Am I dumb or am I miserable or am I going through mood swings of menopause? Because I make myself clearly on the live said the reason why I come live because I'm here entertaining myself with the music and discover that I get my smile at the world, created the world with smile. Look at you. So I'm intrigued. I'm smiling. And still tell me the testimony. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Pain. I can't find my eyeglass. Who's in my eyeglass? I'd give me the message. I said, Queenie, go and go sing to the nation and tell them, say, God is not dead, he's alive. I told me never had a pussy power and double tap. But now I pay the message, no mind. I'm going to go again and God said, Queenie, you know, you hear me tell us if I go and tell the people them say God is dead and I'm say God treat me and box me, so man. I thought God give me the message now. Trust and obey. Queenie on TikTok live. Queenie, you on TikTok live. No, I can't bother with TikTok. I don't want nobody sell them blood clot soul for kill me over TikTok for no money. So I can't bother. I go over there and get one line and get 460 US. And by the time the money reach in my account, and the money not take long for reach. The money reach in our account, I see next day. And by the time, not the next day, lie, within hours, I get the money. Because London done it for me. And by the time, you get plum. Oh, and a plum. And by the time, okay. What me that time? I can't chat to see. I don't remember what me that time. What was I chatting about? I get distracted. Alright, don't go on now, no man. Don't miss me. Don't miss the boat ride. I have to reach London before the 16th, because I have a booking for the 16th in Manchester. I reach England, man, by the grace of God. Oh, if I have TikTok me that talk about, yeah. So when I get the lion now, everybody has said, Queenie, I get lion, pour me new fool, don't know what the fuck they mean by lion. So in London explained, she said a big gift, and it give me the 200 at 460 US dollars. Then the next day, when me think so now, I go back go get something or whatever, just I go back. Them block me. I may have 90,000 followers. And I said, fuck that, fuck, oh no, leave me alone. Then I make one next TikTok page now, and them block me. I said, I have no time for this shit. You understand me? So I don't really pay TikTok no man. Fuck that. Fuck them and them dirty money. Money are the root of all evil. You hear that? That's why my energy and my sanity is not money. It's just me as a person, as a very spontaneous person. Oh, quick TikTok pay you within 2 hours. Because it happened the night. Maybe after 12 the night, me there England #1 Wi-Fi. And when I get the money, I not get no Canada visa, baby. That's why I'm not reach. Yeah. So when London said to me, so actually I said, Mom, within 2 hours I gonna get the money. When I wake up the morning, she send the money to my account. 400. I know me have to fix it. I see it on my bank statement. Yeah. So it's sweet. So I get the 460 now. I said, Bumble clock, this sound good and quickie. So when I click now, back on the something, I said, I get black. I said, I don't have no time for this. I dey on Instagram, course, Vine, express myself. Instagram, I might play God. So I don't have no time for TikTok. TikTok come boom flicking on my phone. Anyway, I'm going to look some food. Later. Already what? What about red girl?
That's a TikTok become boom flicking out.
Yeah, man. Bumba club. A business. I hear I'm not interested in a TikTok again, ready. I have certain principles in me. Like, I don't believe in that for tear down people and trouble people for make money. And I say a lot of people are pass them place because them say TikTok are go out with it. I don't want to be a part of that. You understand me? If me don't look for fun in my own good grades, I don't want nobody use me as no weapon and no method. I say enough for them do it. So it just make me sanitize myself and say, you know what? But then go and feed off of me because I have power bar. I may have strength and power for them feed off, but it's nasty. Andrew, don't make me block you.
We don't want to use
Woman,
TikTok.
respect for you to run out of hospital. I mean, you think that bomber will give me 100,000 down at this? 100,000 or 500 pounds at Jamaica, England. I said, ready?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
100,000 or 500 pounds, 500 England pound.
Yeah.
Right now, if I call or ask clot somebody at England and tell them lend me 50 pounds to blood clot out of the back, so I go, yes, a Queenie down at Jamaica, so far I want 50 pounds. Me run out, go work my honest living. I stop shoplifting and I have a career. My career is my vice and my face is my ID. And if somebody pay me for come slung in an empty room, I go in that empty blood clot room. And if it's full, I go in there. And if me even for God and Queen we have, it's all about me.
Yeah.
That is the stage of life for me reach. I'm proud of myself. So either way, me feel proud of me. I take the chance, go get my money, and I just Ati Maria.
Marie,
Only Ati Maria say call me. I wish Ati Maria there.
Marie, my friend.
Don't mind you, Marie. I'm not calling you. Fuck off, Marie. For when you're there in God, I'm say Marie. Call me girl. Yes, yes,
Maybe I need to talk it. Yo,
I want to call you, Marie, because you have my number, and me not have your number, so you for call me. Or maybe you should. I miss you miss me already.
maybe I need to talk.
Why? Marie, I'm a dopes, man.
May I call you, fat fuck.
But ready want to picture them, a good looking picture them when I tell them I want.
There, you know, see me call the girl and the girl can't find the person to send
Ready,
them. I'm
wait, let me
having
put you in a mix up. Look how you're going to run off our life. What are we a million
hour.
boss? Sick of him. We're going to go to prison left me.
There, where you not going? Yo,
What
no
are we
be man.
sick of him? Oh God, no feel it famous man. No, what a stupid man.
Very
But you know what, in all
stupid.
fairness, I still have to big him up, calm the hopes and give it two beautiful songs. You get me?
True,
Shit happen.
man.
Shit happens and it just shows that everybody got through their own life trauma. Because me just beat up the wife when she's pregnant and then beat her up when she have baby. And
Yeah.
nobody never know all of that. And she hold it like a
Yeah, because look how we go over the day and everything was so good and nice
alright,
and
so when you see
everything.
people are bash me about my life and throw me down, it show you people go through so much. And respect to Shy Shy and her baby. She hold it like
True,
a
man.
tree and she deal with it like a real blood clot white queen.
True,
Me rate
man.
the girl, me rate the
True,
blood
man.
clot girl. She just go silent and say, me and a queen,
True,
me not
man.
tell you suck this and bite this and try blood clot and me take the law.
True.
I'm a feeling team, but you know what? She set a perfect example as a woman
Yeah.
was man, and when them feel like them can abuse woman and get her with it, a woman fuck them. Then fuck woman blow in your ears and whisper back at your tongue blood clot. Either me rate try
And
shine.
that time I sit down in me and say, look how much time we go over there and come like when we go over there. It just hide. She just hide it so
Me
perfectly.
say,
Like,
hey,
oh
hey,
my God, man.
hey, why you think I love myself? If someone sitting on paper or somebody tell me, I say, what? When them say I shy put it, I'm say, what? Let me tell her why I'm a rate the girl. She stand by her husband.
She
And she
do.
never show one effect. I seen her own dignity and her own time after she have her baby and she get back that straight. Hey, the woman could have go through antenatal depression, you know. And the woman wall it. I saw my classic her, man. I still look on shy face. I could have feel her energy like she have once said, Queenie, it's a hard work to be a woman, but she not said that, you know.
Yeah, I
But
understand you.
me could have feel it like she want to reach out to me because she know I'm not wrong. My spirit dry him out ready. Remember, I'm come out of the room and already. I'm going to say,
Yeah,
don't talk about my daughter, sick and please me, I beg you, don't. And the man still talk about my daughter. You know that low my feelings ready. I said, that man I call you. That make me switch now. Russian name, I'm calling me, say, I have to talk about Rora in everything. I said, sick and
yeah,
please with all respect, but you know I'm not taking no side. Me just give me honest speech cause me the tangle up and him left a label with me ready.
true.
Him left a label for me and when I did not that shit, but I hope him learn and I hope a lot of youths out there learn after this. Don't
Oh,
take every blood clot woman for granted. And not for to take woman for granted because we're forgiven and stepping our throat. When I pluck out
yo,
one
I can't believe, Jay. You can't believe. You can't believe it. So the
me
dog
say
just
I give the
did
girl a merit. Or the girl hold it like a blood clot, G.
show
I'm
yo.
ready for this
The
shit.
woman hold it like a dance to bumble clock. Yo, it come like a lot of time when we've been going over there, Jay. Things happening.
I
And we don't
remember
see
know,
it on
remember
our
tell you what me
face.
know. Yesterday night, when him say, Max, she come out of my house. Because I remember I come out of the room and I want me not come out of the house. And I say, oh, Sikaram, I deal with me. So before Sikaram just called me as a man and said, Queenie, make we start it out. And him rush her in. Him say something rude to her in like the way I speak to her, and I said to myself at the same time, say, but you not deal with her good. But the picture with them paint like all was so good and blood clot. The man who murder the blood clot woman with baby. You can't do that, brother.
True,
When
man.
one dirty foot Jamaican girl will cover and tell the police, say, no, him lick me. And then go behind him back and say, dirty boy, I got them white woman then ramp.
I remember for them type of bruise can't hide.
Yes.
No time at all for them. Me and you one maybe can't hide and we put it somewhere or try put something. For them one can't hide none at all.
And not even for say hiding already. It's not even the bruise, you know, it's just the situation and the flashback where she gets, you know, so all when the blue bruise them gone, you know. She still gonna remember that trauma, you know, already.
Yeah, man.
So we as a black woman, we grow under a society where we're being manipulated by man. Because them grow to tell us a man forget fish tail. If we do not we put man first.
Yeah.
So if you talk about the logic of how we grow, them grow for be man mascots. But when you're going to a different country like England, with a top country, they work by the books. Cause I remember when I lick my girlfriend, and I remember her mother white, you know. And I use my hand and lick her, you know. I got probation, you know. And when the mother called me and she said to me, said, Janice, that's abusing my daughter, railway, blah, blah. And she explained to me, white people look for things different from me and you, and I have nothing to do with it. What bruise is a trauma. So the trauma every time she remember I pull her ear and drag her up the stairs and beat her with the belly. Every time the flashback, she said, no, I'm not having this. May you know, may you chat the man,
Jay.
may you chat the man and say the dirty man wicked, and when the police come, you tell the police, say, no, and one boy run past the road and step in my belly. You not admit it. So it make the man them constantly abuse me. Because the regime, may I tell you already, why it's ready. If you notice some girl at Jamaica away from me, we're an alpha girl like me and a man, lick them ready, them get all 10 blood clot lick and them nah lick back the man.
Yeah, true.
And the man I tell us, say girl, if you ever lick me to blood clot, I kill you. I remember good not ready, we're growing, I get in already. I want you
to say to you, so you have to go kill me, man, I'll take your dick.
You know, I say, pussy, kill me, dirty blood clot. Oh, where you? But that is 20% of the 100% of we Jamaican. The rest of we have 8 face. I will tell the mother say a man beat somebody that try rob with. That time the man carry go out a road on a back road and him beat out with dirty blood clot.
So you have to
and when you go home, you now tell your mother you cover it up for the man. Me, as my mom, mommy, look what you do me, mom. Me nah blood clot. And that is society for we Jamaican. So I say, mate, well, if I'm foreign, I rate the blood clot, girl.
Yeah, man.
You can't come in a girl country. As a foreign country, the woman married to you and sent for you come a country. You know, and I remember England have wiped a woman country, you know. With England, when them give a benefits, and your husband come in our country, them
family them deal with, you know. When it comes to family, you know, don't play around with them, you know.
Truth. Yes. So with all fairness ready, I say blood clot. After me think sick around, my God come back, come give me all 2 more tune and thing. I say, boy, Queenie.
Yo, me disappointed, brother. Me disappointed. Me shame. Everything in a one fee, brother. I swear, Jay. I'm disappointed and shame in a one fee, I swear, because
I'm real shy as a bigger woman to shy because enough me go through as a woman, you know. And
yeah, man.
You understand? I got through enough with many partners in my life. So
shy, what that bumper clock still in up? Yo, the woman,
you know what I mean? Girl, when the girl say my husband soon to be blood clot ex. You hear that? And she write that in her own words. My husband soon to be ex. And she have a baby for him. She show him saying every woman you can take and beat and disrespect her angle and them cover for you. Not even the husband, you know, and blood clot, you're soon to be. And remember, is a rich bitch, you know.
Yes, man.
You know the law.
Yes,
she not talk rich.
Man.
The real blood clot rich.
True.
So she know the lawyers and the corners.
She real rich for true. She real rich for true and a joke rich. Can't
Yeah,
be
so
the,
you see,
the
sometimes
dog
when we
just.
get on some battering from some man and we cover, I true we grow tough on the mentality where we have. We walk on the asphalt without shoes and them little things there. So we mentality say, why not? But them something not good for we ready. You
True, man.
understand? So, yeah, suppose your book nose was a bore nose force, but enough little woman damage our mentality, damage you. Like a woman when a nice like me, excited. If me did for sit down ready and think about things and be a thinker and a counteract it, but I walk it too ready and for my pussy right now. I ask, who want pussy for buy? Pussy here, free pussy. Pussy I give yeah.
True, man.
I rate the woman, I rate her, I
Yeah,
say,
man.
boom, I
The
rate
real
her.
shy for true, man. The woman hold it till the end. Hold it. And know say, yeah, this is the time.
Mr. Ready when they tell me, say, one sit and come out with cigarette. I say, what? And I'm wife, I said, no. Remember, me no see it, you know. Me a stubborn person, you know. Me no easy just believe things, you know. I said,
Yeah, I
no.
work me there. Somebody that bring the phone, come show me. Somebody send it to him phone. I said, look here. Look what sticker my wife put up. I'm gonna say, is it? I'm gonna go say boom and start jump on Instagram now. Everybody know blogger, everybody know. Mrs. Start with it. So I saw now I'm
Ready.
gonna go up and have something
Ready,
now.
I
Me I
say,
say,
one minute, ready.
fucking
1 minute.
hell, Lord,
Remember
man.
what I say. When you stop chat shit about big dick. You have man who don't have no blood clot dick when little son them still beat woman. Stop chat blood clot shit. Let me telling about big dick when you talk about big blood clot dick. Dick bigger than blood clot dick. A man can have a little dick and the biggest dick to him. And a man have a big dick and the biggest blood clot little dick and the
All
biggest
right.
dick. Don't chat shit about fucking dick. When you love
All
somebody,
right, Jay, you know what me that try say?
yeah.
What's the meaning of the beating? Shy
What?
don't go nowhere.
No.
So what the meaning of the beating, for licking her, for beat her, what the fucking, what it is?
All right, me understand. Remember saying I'm a humanizer, you know. And man don't satisfy them believe in a pleasure by pleasure in other woman. So regardless them married to them get buzzed off for other woman. So remember I'm did I look at a friend, our next white friend, whatever. It cannot stem from that. Who knows? Maybe
Yeah,
come to Jamaica, come fuck somebody. You don't know. But
yeah.
the way she hold it as a G, it not just come from someone, but it's not to say where it's stem from. Maybe she says something rude to him. It can be anywhere. But the point is, if you have the woman that beat her and a draw by her ear, brethren, you have to control your blood clots. If I want to, I think of Jamaica, one of the one who send man for beat man. And
You
not
don't know
come out
much man in Jamaica, the one that there with a nice woman like Shy. Yo, I can't believe that the dog do that, brother. Yo,
some woman stay with man because them fuck good. There's some woman, but sometimes I'm not even just the fuck, it's just a connection, but people just use fuck. Who knows say you can't have a man and you're there with the man and him not fuck you good. I don't understand people them talk about fuck. Let me telling you something as an experienced woman. You can't have a man where you love the man and the man have a little body and him can't fuck. You love him and you cuss him, fear him, not suck your pussy him body a little bit and you just know say you're a man. My friend have a husband.
yeah.
When she show me the man body, I'm here to class the man. I said, Jesus Christ. I went to him now and she saw him body little. I said, stop it, son. She show me him body. The man have nobody for truth. But she's her
Nothing.
husband. And she get whatever pleasure she get out of him. And when all of these girls come in her phone and I cuss her, she still react the famous. So I stop talking the fuck about big body. Blood clot, big body. Me eat big dirty
Big
excited.
body now have nothing to do with it.
Eh?
Big body now have nothing to do with it.
I say, when the big body come out of you, you don't remember nothing about the blood clot body. I want to tell you, man, chop shit like the body can't left you now. Stop talking about body. When the man them at this, I not going to the money when I want. You don't care about body when I get. And money when I cost about. I rent when I cost about. Don't it? Body coming when I body time, brethren. You have someone with some big cocky and don't even know if you use it. Them no know if you take
Big
the
and
cocky
dead.
and beat all the pussy tongue. You understand? And then take it out and put it on and breeze cock it on the side. Them no know if you do the run around.
I
Them just
use it
want
and rub
stop.
it on the clip up and
Yeah, them
down.
just want stop. So when you not talk about big body on a bomber class, some of them have the big body and can't even manage it. It annoy them. Go here. Everybody a body. And you make the best of whichever body you get. You understand me? Some boy don't have nobody and the way them kiss up your neck and bite you and blow in your ears and bump and grind you to blood clot and lick out the clit and bite all the pussy jaw and blow all in at the bottom. You don't remember nothing about body.
Like the bottom. Like the bottom.
Some boy never blame it.
No, nobody never blow the
Yeah,
bottom yet.
yeah, some boy will feel kind of romantic and do some little skittle, so you just laugh. Yeah, you have all different kind of boy. You understand? Then you have some boy fuck it to blood clot and you wonder if him not fuck it, stop fuck it. You ever fuck it till you're tired of the fucker, you cry, and then the fuck just start get back nice again and then one next time the fuck just get boring to blood clot. Fuck up, whole heap of different stage tonight, you know, I'm ready. I get on some fuck the man just come quick. I say, how come him come quick? I take it for all like insult, but I pleasure the blood clot man get on him pop off quick.
Once him come back the second time, me no mind. Once him come quick and then can go
Oh,
back the
lucky I
second
take
time,
that
me no
just
mind.
one quickie girl. You not get no blood clot second. You could have deal like one blood clot come here and the man tired and you not get nothing more. All kind of way about fucking girl. You understand me? You have some man when them a fuck you to blood clot. When them blow up on the pussy, you think hot food, them are cool. Them come bet? May I tell them, sir, watch my sexy friend. May I tell them, say, some boy, them a fuck you, them take out all the cocky out of your pussy and blow up on the pussy, so. You think a hot fool, them a, some boy have some wicked fuck style, you know. You tell them, say, take the big blue jeep to blood clot. You fuck her, you say, anything you want me get to blood clot. Some boy fuck you, say, you can't give me 100,000. I know the boy alone, him a fuck you for 100,000, but the way the fuck sweet and the boy all a blow all in your body and then bite you all by your ears. I say, wow! Take 150 to blood clot. You say, get back.
One time I did. I feel like some a people, I want people, and the man said, no, you know people, you want people, you skirt. I said, no, get up, I want people. He said, no, no people. I said, get the blood clot up in here. I said, I want fucking people. He said, by the time I go in the bathroom, can I people? No people.
Listen,
So I
man.
fucking, I mess up my skirt right there. So the first me I go skirt and fuck it up.
Just be it, man. Sun hot. Me I tell them you can't function. Listen, me tell you, all kind of fucking style. Nobody can tell about fucking. You have somebody with a big, worthless monster cocky, and when them put the big cocky in here, you not feel nothing. And I say, oh, that cocky is so big. A big my pussy big so. And then one boy with a little blood clot body, a fucking him stick in the back. Ow! Enough way to fucking man. I want to some girl. No, have no fucking expert. Okay. So when you hear people talk about big body, may I tell you, when my friend showed me her husband body,
British.
it's a bumbo clot. I should have killed anybody for the body. Oh. A cocky extension we are talking about. I have a new song. It's not the size of the gun, it's the effect of the bullet.
Good one.
Ah. But never believe in a skirting something, you know. I used to say a piss. All know me still not too believe about the skirting blood clot something.
Yeah, man, the skirting team would have like experience it. I'm not gonna lie still.
You never get it
But
out.
no, you know, you tell us me I get it one night time and
Any
I
boy
tell
will
us
make a skirt, them boy they're wonderful. Cause I know every bumblebee boy, some boy that fuck
me
it.
think of people, I want people.
Some boy fuck you and they make you do merry-go-round, they make you do hip hop, they make you do cock up is at 10. Them do 3:40, then them do 6:30. You never blood clot skirt. And one boy with a little body just itch up on the side bank and say, ready, them go over the next corner, and then say split in the middle, and then them go over the corner. You look at this. When you look at this, spring.
Oh my God. There's a split in the middle. I'm at the doctor and I can tell you is Hold on. I'm at the doctor and I can tell you it is free.
Yeah.
Let me see who said this. Understanding you is my.
Ready? Me soon talk to you. Ready where you said that miss me?
Somebody say, and what's she there?
Somebody say
Somebody
what?
said, I'm at the doctor and I can tell you it is P.
It is what piss.
Yeah.
Make them move the light, blood clot. Listen.
I want to experience it too. I swear I've never either.
Them not no money.
Big up
Oh,
yourself,
even.
Queenie. May I tell you, she no skirt a piece. I have to practice a piece pan cocky before you can piss pan it.
Blood clot.
Oh.
I piss by cocky, but listen, them so when you get the cocky.
Woman can piss it cocky in the morning.
And yeah, that's true.
Nice thing, you have to practice that shit. You know, I have to work and practice till me can do it. Yeah.
Where's the piss by cocky that and a skirt? I don't believe it, but here I know it's a skirt. A skirt is true. I go contradict it already. You see the first time I skirt, remember, I tell you now, I sit down right just so you know, and somebody said to me, say, Bounty Killer, the first somebody will make him squirt, make you squirt. So I say, it's not skirt, that it's a 2014 in already. So, right here, so the girl come at Jamaica and me and I chat Bounty Killer and she said, Bounty Killer is the first man that let me skirt in and I'm 43. So I say, a piece, your piece. She said, no, again, say skirting and whatever. I never pay she no skirting, no blood clot, man, because a piece pan cocky that. I say, ready? Girl, may I do a little quick in a one car, girl. I say, girl, it's when I get that blood clot force water. We call it force water, piece pan cocky. No,
Yes,
man, it come in a different thing.
it's
Ready?
P. That's you
Ready?
can.
When the skirt come out in the car and the man say, yeah, man, you say you don't believe in a skirt. See a skirt. Then I say, that is not skirt, it's piss. But a film car. You know who may attack, don't you? Anyway.
Yeah.
You see the evening on 6 o'clock ready? Remember last time my skirt in our car, and I see the evening on 6 o'clock, the same car seat when I go back in the car. Which one my skirt? White like chalk. That is the only reason why me know so there is skirts away from splurt.
What's live? Was it rank? Hey, you see, MPP and I comment to see was it rank?
No,
Queenie baby.
come here, let me tell them. And that is our next thing. Because he's a quicker with it I do and him have on him shirt. So the piece catch him shirt. It was a black shirt and him say, all when me go home, I look at my shirt, the shirt white and it no rank.
Oh.
A piece and come in at it. So you get the orgasm, but it's piss, brethren. Hey, any blood clot boy no fuck you no piss man and cocky them eat, you know. If you want good fuck come on, you have to piss up my blood clot cocky. Them know so them not do them job good. So it's when a boy fuck you, you squirt for them cocky, extra bonus that for you.
It
So
has a little urine in it, but it's not 100% urine.
yeah.
That sounds sensible.
That sound, yeah.
That sounds sensible. Mary, fuck. That sounds sensible.
Yeah, and that makes sense. Left to my experience, it's not pre. What do you mean it's not pre?
Happy. You contain
and come, a pee orgasm, white and water.
Oh, a combination of pee and sperms.
Yeah, truth. Because just the car seat will have the white when it dry up now. So the dry white
So that
girl.
means that during that
No.
time, you come and feel like you want pee.
Yeah, because remember, I know some cocky when you reach your nitty gritty, you know. All right, ready? You ever get some real fuck it and the cocky coming like it a come to your throat?
No, really, no, Jay,
You
but
not
me
get
get some real
fuck
fuck,
in your
but
life.
me get,
Ready?
yeah, oh, you come tell
Ready?
me something, I get fuck,
Ready?
brother.
Ready?
Yo,
Pre-practice.
brother, me get, you
Ready,
can't
pre.
tell me something, I get real fuck, me get real fuck, but me not get no fuck for saying it a come to me throat, brother.
Well, some man when them a fuck you all them balls them want put in your pussy.
Yo, me can't
Till
get
the
that
cocky
woman
bust
there,
and
no
reach
man.
your throat from and then your mouth, you never get that yet ready.
No,
Anytime
Jay.
that boy they do that, you go marry him, you go remember me to tell about that fuck there.
Me
You never
just feel like me a faint. Me feel like me a faint.
no, you choke because the force when I put in your nitty gritty, the last part and then in your throat there, you never get that yet, Yvette?
Me not get that fuck, me not get that fuck there yet, you know, Jay.
No, and a 2 man do it to me already, ready. 2 man. It walk. It's like them are gonna put the balls in there, you know, I stifle. I don't have no breath in the baby.
Give me some water. Yo.
All right. You see the man them when they make you choke, let me tell you what them do, you know. Them fucking make you stunted.
Yeah.
You have some man,
Me get
you know,
that, me
them
get
done
that fuck
fuck
there.
you, you know.
Yeah, me get them fuck there.
It's like you're stunted. So
Busy.
you have different category of sex. So when people that talk about, all right, ready, you know one of the wickedest sex style of my love? When a blood clot, boy, only are looking at your eyes and just a wine for your dirty blood clot, dry one, and just a wine. You know, you have some bitchy boy and them bite them lip. And the boy just the fire and looking at you and just a wine for you. You have on clothes and him have on clothes. You shoot your fuck. You never know already.
Yeah. Remember boy like that. Yeah, true. True your talk. True. True your talk. True your talk.
I have my glasses to them comments, you know.
Yo.
Fuck is fuck and fuck
Tell
is
me
love.
about it. Tell me about it. I want to go on your son.
You have good fuck and you have bad fuck.
Yeah.
You have nice fuck. You have everybody fuck different.
Sure.
True.
Everywhere you go, everybody fuck different.
Hey,
Let me tell you something about boy when
ready?
love
Me meet one boy
wind
with
up,
a
man.
pink body head. The man body head pink, just the body head just pink and pretty. Me say blood clot. Every time the boy call me, say, "I'm to your pink for your laugh." You do.
Fix it.
So when you hear people talk about big wood, it's not big wood, it's a... All right, me have a song named Cocky Extension. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is the me I mention all of the boy them with cocky have extension, all this event. You see if your pussy not have certain substance in your pussy, the cocky not get no blood clot extension. 3 different stiff them have, you know.
Oh,
You see when they
God.
reach the 3rd stiff, and the blood clot stiff after that, you know, cocky extension, all the balls in a girl. And you see some girl pussy make man cocky get bigger. Left to the vibes, it make the...
Listen, make cocky swell up in a girl pum pum.
It name cocky extension. So I mention all of the boy them we have cocky extension. Cause you have some boy that fuck some girl and the cocky swink. The cocky soft. And you have some boy when them cocky see the pussy and just see the clap, the pussy, the cocky just extend and goes so. That's how the 3rd stiff. You see the cocky get temperature now and you touch it, it's hot. So that's when I mean that them a sock and it what it fever, when it catch fever now you just take it out and you just cool it down. What the boy them with the cocky extension and them may I mention. You know it's nice when a boy fuck you and tell us.
PG. 18. You're damn right, baby girls. PG 18.
Ready? You know when a boy fuck you and say to you, say, baby, you make my cocky get bigger. I say, no. And the tension in my pussy make your cocky extension.
Yeah.
Blood
That
clot. You see the tension?
sound bad still in a chair.
Yeah, me tell you, me have a song with me Yvette right about the cocky extension. You have to pay a pussy pension. Because I saw the tension in the pussy. Yes, all right. You see, me tell you, remember saying everything energy in our sex, yeah? Some people have different energy. It work off in your vagina, your sex as well, you know. That's why enough women have problem.
Yeah.
Because your negative thinking, it reflects in your sex, you know. So I see if you're somebody who have certain confidence in the fault, the cocky now get no extension, so you can't mention. The cocky soft and loopy. You see that tension where the pussy bring and the pussy box the cocky and then the pussy hide the cocky and then the pussy say hello cocky and then the pussy run. The pussy have to have different angles. So it make the cocky have that either run you down so it stretch you catch you. And natural thing. I only put things to sex. And about big cocky. It's about connection.
True, man.
Ever see some boy look for you to blood clot, you have to take your eye and don't look back. I use them eye and fuck you know.
Him tell some going on and dance and boy look for me and tell me say yo.
Boy ever look for you and fuck you with them eye and you now look back already. It may ask already. Not cocky. Not cocky. So when people talk about big eye, one boy do me a thing in the party event. I may have to condole myself and say, Queenie, do not look back over there. I said me blood clot look back. Rockavage is clear for me, man. Rockavage is clear. Yeah. You hear me say? Some man can use them eyes and hypnotize you.
Yeah, man, that's true.
You see cocky, you have to talk to cocky more time, you know. Cocky like when you talk to it, you say blood clot, boy, you're going somebody in me. Take it out all DJ palette, you all and lick it, you know. You just talk to it and then put it back. Yeah, that is a cocky extension. I want to some blood clot.
Listen, Jay. Listen, take it out and DJ upon it.
Yeah, man. Remember, you know, so sometimes them put you in some position or some dead end position, you know, so you have to just jump off right now and hold it and say, what the blood clot.
I said the cock.
Why? You understand me ready?
Yeah.
The only intention them have to kill you with fucking up. So you have to give them back the challenge. Because when them put on the agony there, if you don't know which angles and which position to go, them can paralyze you in an extent for them get the better of you.
True.
So when you sit and reach right now, when you sit and reach out, you just jump off. That's what me do. You not kill me with no blood clot, cocky. I want me do make you go on, so. Take time, no man. You know, Queen, no man. Put the blood clot back in. So you see, when you come with the dinner and brains, so did I go come already 2 minutes? That can't come again, you know. I want different box him for going after fight. They you don't know them things already.
Yeah, man.
When they come with him, did I get when him did I kill her with the agony? He nearly come in and son you jump off of that blood clot. And take the cocky and say, brother, that alone care back down in coming and balls, you know. So
Tongue back.
Harder now, we are gonna get more fuck now, you know. You just stimulate the blood clot cocky by talk to the blood clot cocky and say, here we go on. Cool it down. So you're gonna round up, you're gonna eat. Wine in a eat. You know have that style there. You put your body in a number 8. Blood clot.
You put your body, I first now get that one there. Put your body in a number 8 and
Because people don't go wine in a oh.
With this blood.
Oh no, you go whine him in a number 8. Me 8 or you fuck me dirty blood clot. So me whine in a number 8. You don't know about the 8 side. Let me tell you a whole heap of cocky experience and journey. Cocky specialist. Remember, most girls sit down on cocky, you whine in it or your bum.
Yeah.
it on the breeze cock or you wine pan it on the breeze cock. So that normal, them used to that. So when them a kill you with the cock, you know, you gotta give them something abnormal. You gotta wine it in the 8. So however you draw 8, if you start from the right, you put your body and you wine it and you make number 8. My 8 or you fuck you, my dirty blood clot. You have to talk back to yourself and fuck back them blood clot and them want to kill you with them cocky. You understand? So it's the stimulation of what them have now, what them expect, it make them pop off quick. Because them used to feel you go off and tip on it and a boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, them used to that. It's when they give them a 8 challenge, them I say blood clot. All right, ready. You ever fuck a boy and them come and drop a blood clot gun yet?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bomb
Yeah.
blood clot, my gal.
Yeah.
Bop, bop, bop. Ready. Him weak till him drop out. Him do what?
And drop a gun. And then I know, say, Jay, so I want Big Mac to, you know, me have to call the ambulance, you know.
You call ambulance. Ready.
Yeah,
Them
yeah, I
fucking
did. We
serious.
have to
Them
call the
fucking
ambulance
serious that we are
too.
talking about. So I see the ear of them officer, them are gonna knock you out. You remember, I know, if a mosquito bite you, you know, the first thing where you do ready, where you do not slap it.
Yeah.
A same thing when the fuck bite you. You have to slap a number 8 for them. Cause remember sometimes someone fuck you some blood clot, you know. And some
I forgot to try that number 8 something there, Jay.
work it in your mind and check with me and say, wine in a 8. Wine in a number 8. Just put your, don't wine in a O. Don't wine in a S. Turn it in a number 8. Him cocky broke to blood clot and him just a shoot him turn idiot. Him don't know what you do. And then
Stop the madness. When you go serve, don't stop the madness.
so no God myself, no God make cocky and pussy and so for fuck. And a man make cocky and pussy, I God make it. God knows who if you talk about cocky and pussy. It's just different angles. Yeah, man, I whole heap of things street, man. Yeah, man. All right. You are all right. You have some man you that suck them cocky till thy kingdom come, then now come. Why?
Why?
You have to know how to suck the cocky to make them blood clot come. Sometimes you just want to lick it and taste it, and this time you have to pussy after blood clot come. So hear this now.
You want let them seed bag and then they start sucking.
Where they Yvette?
You want let them seed bag with some ice in your mouth, then they start sucking.
You see, me not try that style, but here the style where you do now. So when I believe that every man one. Every man do shot the bishop.
Yeah.
Tell your man to play with himself here. I watch him play with himself. I just sit down and watch him. Because when enough man do them either and play with themselves because they're embarrassed to do it. And if they're not comfortable with you, them not going to do it. But if you catch a man and watch a man when him a wank, and you know that you watch how him wank himself, as a woman, you have to teeth back film blood clot style for use back on him because you know have cocky in it. So we just want to say, well, we know it all. You could have know it all. You have to have tactics to make them come and for them tactics you have to use back on them. So
Yeah.
yes, when them have it, you notice how you see them do it, so. You see them go so now. That are the stiff them I get 1 stiff, 2 stiff.
Boom.
Yeah, 3 stiff are the hardest stiff. So when it reach 3 stiff now, it gets hard and the veins stand up. So you see when the veins stand up on it now, the blood are pulping up. So you get that pleasure. So the pleasure where you get, the blood are pump, but you're not going to come because guess what? You have to have a blockage, you have to block up all of the blood. So it's because the cocky run freely, so you might get the pleasure, but the head still I get full, so the blood now back up right, just so you know. So you know what you have to do? You take your hand and you back up your son. You see every sweetness where I run from down in a cocky root, your son, where I run to right, just so where you black your son.
Yeah.
Black, you know.
Yeah.
So just pop off. So you see the trick what the man them do? Then why you have your cock in their mouth all day for 1 hour? Because it give them pleasure. So the pleasure with them give them have you work out your jawbone, your throat, your tongue. Because make I show you perfect. If you think I joke me a blood clot, me, then ramp with me, you know. Look ready, let me make sure I understand. Because I'm soon going to eat some food. Let me demonstrate. So see it now ready, yeah? So this are the dick, yeah?
Yeah.
When you daddy I lick it and I'd rub it so and him I rub it, all if you don't lick it and him I rub it, so it's sweet him. So you see the blood where I pulp, just a flow and him ears feel good and him toe feel good and you see him toe I do something and him I pulp out and you work and your mouth tired and your throat tired and him not come. Because the blood a flow through him ears, through him it no. So it's when you black it, yeah, so with the little split there. You see, all of this niceness when I come, everything black up, so them just bust. You understand?
Yeah. I
So
understand,
if you
man.
don't know how to so cocky, you will so cocky to Jesus.
So, Jay, where you black it with?
Your hand, baby, or your mouth.
Okay.
So you can use your hand. That's why I use this to show you. Them are gin already. None of blood clot them can trick me. I study everything. If me tell you, if your man sick, and you open body split, and you go suck. You can't know if him sick. You smell it, you close your eye, and that smell will linger. You can't differentiate whether I'm rank, him cocky cheesy, or if him sick. What them do now? You hear them there, so remember them discriminating. None of them not suck pussy, you know, the whole of them class where has woman in it. So when them there run them friend, you hear the other girl that want suck cocky girl, and I'm going to make she suck my cocky all night. But she loves suck cocky, but she don't know the tactics of suck cocky.
Yeah.
So she have this cocky all night. Oh, you rub it, so you put it in your jaw, you brush your teeth with it, you put it on your throat, and your mouth tight, you do all sorting. Nah, boss. So you see that them time there, he might trickle him toe, he might roll him eye, he might rub your ear, because he might get the pleasure and him lie down easy, because man take off for idiot. So you say you're going to put the bomber wall and busy now, you're going to say, pussy, see if you want a pussy, you have to work whole blood clot night. You not have me, I work all night. So when you work it now, yeah, as me say, it have 3 stiff. When you play with it like that now, 1 stiff, 2 stiff, it's when it reach that stiff now, a pleasure them I get now, you know. So the pleasure now, the blood vein, the blood I run, but it go through your little spine and you feel it from the outside. So you did the whole time. I don't know if nobody there, so when I talk, when I talk, say.
And some of them are say true.
Yes, it is. You did the whole time till the man fuck you and you still not suck him cocky and him not come because of the way how you do it. So when you put your finger on your son now, bucket right to split there, or you put your mouth there, yeah, you buck that in there. You can't put your mouth there and still a one kid straight now. So you see, because it buck, everything where I run right just so.
It accumulates up right top.
So it just flow out. But when you leave it open and you're in a black ear, so. You see when you're in a black ear, so, all I know is just, and in blood and they are taking for idiot, and you work for 2 blood clots or nothing that happen. You understand?
Yeah.
So when you do that now, I see him pop off, all a minute him come and stay so, you say you fuck your pussy, you have to wait till 20 minutes before your cocky come up back again. So you win. And then you have some of them, when them come, them cocky still stand up. Then when they know, you know, they have a different cocky. So then just come, but the cocky still hard. So you know you have competition with that. I only put thing to it already. Don't mind blood clot then.
Oh, so block it while him stroke it.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
have to block it. You see, if you don't block it, you're going to stay forever I do so. So you just get that little pleasure. All right, you ever come here as a girl and hold back your come here? You know how you hold back come? All right, you ever come here as a girl and, all right, a man eat you. When you get eat, the come where you get it from your head. When you get sex and you come, you don't get no come from your head. It's two different coming already. So when somebody give you oral sex, and you get oral sex, and you get that orgasm, you feel it from your ear root, you know.
Yeah.
When you have sex and you come, you feel it from down in your belly button. It's two different orgasms that you get, you know. So
me never know. You know, me never know that. I just feel like a one.
check it. When you get a eat and you come, every ear stand up in your head and it come from up your throat. When a man sex you come, you get the come from out of your belly from down in your home. Two different something already. May I tell you, study it from what I tell you, baby. You understand?
See,
So you have
so that's true.
some of them, all right, it's when me get to eat, you can't touch me, you know. But because I study it, if it's a bumper hole, I'm want you eat me forever. May I come, I'm now make you know so I come. And you still down there come, I'm come. And you eat me and you don't know so I come. Yes, when you sex me, I'm come. It's a different come, so you scream out. And I like when you get the eat come, so it's a total different come. Sometimes someone fuck you and you don't come. You say you come. And them dead and them kill you, but you don't get an orgasm. Yes, when you get the orgasm now, then you have the pussy art come out now. This is the one I did talk about. It's a pussy of art. When you get that come, the whole like one middle part of your pussy, you know, see the clit again, you know. You see one piece of belly, one alien come out.
Yeah. True yata.
That
Yeah.
the pussy art. When a man fuck you and make your pussy art come out, it is a fucker time. So there's many stages to sex. If you don't study sex, if you don't study sex, you're gonna say, boy, yes, boy, we give you agony, but you don't get orgasm. Boy, we give you orgasm, but you don't get agony. So there's different levels to it. Then you have a G, you have someone with it a G spot. And it not take nothing for it to eat G spot. And you have one that work your whole time, him throw you upon the truck, him lift him throw you upon the sea, then him carry upon the light post, then him get too tired anyway, and you don't come. You just know you get some good blood clot agony from him. Then you have one little romantic boy just whisper in your ears and bite you. Hey, one boy ever bite you behind your heel back yet?
Behind you, sir. Yeah.
Behind your heel back. And your pussy just like yeah. So you have different ways of pleasure and things that people do. So when we hear people talk about big wood, I'm like, ooh. Me hear the big dirty
Yeah,
blood.
that's the thing about it. Let me read this one. Them can't fuck. Most man fuck for them own pleasure, which is true. Yeah.
Thank you. So to them I ram you and I stand you and I look you. That's all matter to them. That's why I say them give you agony. That's why I say them give you agony, but they don't give you orgasm. So when them say them can't fuck you, your pussy not have no heart. Not till they make my pussy heart come out of my skirt. What's up name? You are not fuck at all. So you just make them feel good when them say then I tell you son the boy kiss you when them kiss you behind your foot, they kneel back, man, it make you just a shoot so. And then the boy would have fuck you all 2 blood clot 20 minutes and you still not come ready and I can name I give you. You understand? Yeah, because when them hear you ball out, I say, they hear them now. Yeah, me makes you come 3 times. Not even a blood clot. Go, me not get.
And you them feel like so them did do something.
say you come out and kill her with fucker. You don't get not even go much as a blood clot. Come and them fool themselves. Catch them. And it feels like it too, yeah. Me get a beer agony. No. You have one boy with a little teeny tiny body and him just come and stay so with the body and have it up. Play ring a rose upon the clit. And just have him body a rub upon the clit, a rub upon the clit, a rub upon the clit. And when you look at clit get stiff. And the boy now put in the body cam know it a little bit. And him just have a little tough body, little short tough body.
Like your tongue. A true man. A true.
And just take it out, talk the pussy words and let him talk about the pussy tongue and poop, 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 poop.
Alright, that is a little teeny top shumper body.
A
I
true
see when
event.
you done wet ready, you think the body reaching a blood clot to you. Because the boy know him have a little body. So I'm now put it in a you, then favor said short. So I make you wet because of the orgasm count. The skirt count. There's something you get for your brains. Alright. Yeah, some man, me not like man finger me in already.
No,
Me
eat that. Never in my life. It's true. Me
but you
eat
can't
it.
play with my clit. It's different than when you finger me and play with my clit.
Yeah.
Two different
Yeah.
songs. When you put your little who them here? Hello.
Good morning.
Good.
Sorry to interrupt your conversation. This is for Kaylee and Haley.
No, our names are this are Queenie, Kaylee and Haley.
994 this.
996.
Oh, so 94.
So when them good nurses come on me want nurse treatment. This is 96.
94.
Yeah. You know nice, see? Are you near the work? And up at your hospital, no?
No, Waterford.
Waterford, on the uniform nice.
Yeah,
I have to come up at the clinic for it though.
I'm thinking of walk with this. Alright, darling.
But think I mean them
Yeah,
set
man,
nurse from.
yeah. My clip down normal. Don't know how to do it.
Yeah. So when them feel like so them get the agony and them go them tell them brethren, you know, me kill her with fuck, I'm a cocky your mother, man. You just look to yourself, say, nigga, please. You just
Yeah.
beat up my pussy all know me not come. And if you tell them not believe, so you just make them pleasure themselves. I idiot them.
Let me
I think
tell you so they make you all come much time and them you
they
look
don't
on
even
them and
tell
tell
us
us
say
that.
when them hear you say, oh, and I make some sound, them say they make you come 3 times. That time you're not even go, much as come.
True,
You never hear me say
true,
earlier on.
true, true.
All right. Man have a tendency to feel so oh woman frightened over them cocky and something. And them frightened over our pussy car, our pussy never dead. Them have to wake up back them cocky and we lie down and stay. Sometimes boy me I tell you, leave me alone and go on man cause
Not the power can dead.
that one name dead. Cocky nah kill no woman. No matter what them talk said could have big and carry to your throat or your mouth. You have to know how to hold her like Tarzan. Wonder Woman and swing on the side. You fuck. I only put things to it though.
What is that? I don't love to get eat, but these guys always begging to eat me. Why? I don't
When
know
you go
why.
and take little eat and I get little eat, darling, you have to test every little thing. Sometimes you don't even want some of them out in you. You know me eat when man use them out and play on my pussy ready. Me eat blood clot that. Go man. You have to know it. Big
You have
ugly
to know
full
what
of
you
that
do.
blood clot mouth and you can't do nothing. Go man.
You can't do nothing.
I not do not the day I make me a hey, some boy for West what is it? What is that get some water?
Ready as come like a sleep,
Then
yes.
on the ear Tarzan. Just make sure say the mouth clean. Yeah, true. Try to the right person.
No, me no want no water. No thanks. Me a goat. Me no love water.
Good body event.
I that my granny always say.
If you
Where
can't.
they love when ugly mouth man suck your front?
No, event. You know, sir. The truth is, The truth, me get a lot of person where that do me, but you see, if you come with, you don't want, you're not in a oral sex in a relationship, me work with it. And if you come with it, me work with it. So most time, me not really get man where work with it. So we just not do it none at all.
If them out ugly for them do the right thing, it's alright.
Of
But
course.
Big man, so put man, them scoop up the whole of the pussy and them that them out there droop. What?
Especially
also,
if them can't do nothing with it. Them a
hey,
act like them a do something and
me
them,
not
and
lucky
them
forget.
not do
Me
nothing.
not
Piss
lucky
me
forget
off,
some
man.
pussy man, you know. Me not lucky forget suck pussy man. You see the man them will always suck my pussy now. You know them trick me now already. Them half of me say them want suck my pussy. And when them suck my pussy now, them want fuck me and that. Now that me and that something now, I'm very unfair. You see, you see me, I'm gonna take eat. But you can't fuck me already. No, I think I drop me. You can't see me and tell me say you want to eat me now. I'm sorry, I'm gonna take a chance to eat me now, and then you're gonna tell me say I'm unfair. Because
Yeah,
me
after
say
them
virgin you
stay.
can't fuck. You know me, how much man. Now you see me as queen now, and you say you want to suck my pussy now. I'm sorry, I'm gonna screech and make you suck my pussy. I know when you suck my pussy, I'm gonna come. For you come, you can't suck my back and can't touch me back, you know. You're gonna tell me say, I forget the college. I'm say virgin. So anyway, so one night now. So, boy, I tell him I go through some things to blood clot. My God, I'm married now. Boy, I'm so ready. Scared that I'm there at Jamaica now. I'm pretty toes with brown eyes. Yes, eyes. Nice. Send me tongue. Some I say,
Mumba.
me know people send cocky. I'm pussy, but that's how worry. I say, I'm going to tell you when you're fucking a number 8, a different style. That when
Yeah.
you're fucking a 4. So I feel the tongue now. I reach out to the message. Drive go meet him. When I go meet the brother now, remember I tongue him send me. Him saw me I want something pussy. I say, alright. Draw where the dry scratch is quick and blood clot fast. And I
Oh, Jared. Ma.
Why? So the way we come quick, you see with me now, when we get to eat, as me tell you, say the eat come from your head and it make you stiff. Me know what, you can't touch me. Worse, it's just a little ledger me get. You are somebody intimate. Worse, you can't touch me, you know. So when him come now and me say, me don't know him can't touch me, me say, no, me no want no more. Him still want to put him head under them. Me say, no, and some still, me no want no more. Remember me a big man, you know, so me know what I want, you know. So him can't touch me anyway. Pretty nice brown eye boy, I know, anyway. I'm afraid of it, man. When they want to keep them head under you, me not like that, brethren. From a come, you can't head. Me...
Kill me already. No, I'm not gonna joke, so I'm man kill me already. Me know if I suck him, no, if I suck pussy, I just force him to suck him down. Wow. I said that time, just you know, the look, yeah, I get a little heat, you know. I said the way the man put him mouth over my pussy hole and said, I feel like my woman come out. I said, no! Squeezing her, yeah.
Yes, yes, even already a push out.
Blood clot. I said, no! I feel like my woman put the man out. I said, blood clot, and fuck your face.
Ready! So when you tell the boy, say, when me say the boy, say, no, some stay from a come, you can't touch me. So I'm sitting in the car now, embarrassed, but through me have conscience or something, so I sit down there and feel bad. So I say, make me wank your ass. Hey, so ready, you know, cuss when you fuck. All of them are fuck me too hard, my cuss, but so if I say the man do him, me a cuss, me a...
If I hear him like him, I said, don't make nobody do that here again. Me afraid of that. Me afraid. Man, you kill me already.
Why? Ooh. all about my own now already. So, to me have a conscience now, I feel bad now. I say, all right, make me wank ya. I say, ready? Remember, I know for wank him come quick to you know. Oh God, I think that boy there. I wonder which part of girl that the boy there, bless him. I say, when the man, wank the man and the man come, I say, ready? The man come, tinky.
Oh my God.
I say, ready,
Oh,
tinky. But remember, me naturally just myself, you know. Me no matter if I in a fuck, in a hospital, in a labor, me is myself. He say, oh, that think. Lord clot, I kill the boy feelings again to blood clot. Ready? Me want pop off my hand, me use water wash my hand. Me say, I know me I smell the man. Me never know say, one man come could have stink. So you know a man come smell ash. On a regular basis, when man come, them come have a little ash smell, you know. So you know that a natural come smell, but the man come think. So when I say to him, so now, so when him embarrassed, you know, boy, you can't even judge people by them looks, you know. By them looks, you know.
true.
You can't judge people by them looks. So I say to him, who feels with blood clot knows it. When I said to the boy, I say, I don't mean to make you feel bad, darling, but me say me OCD, you know, I'm very skeptic. I say, it's a smell, I use smell to determine somebody's body odor. So I don't discriminate, I discriminate you. Because already, from I catch gonorrhea from a little bit of me there at Jamaica, I never catch back blood clot gonorrhea, I'm 53. And 2004 when I got to prison in England, I catch chlamydia. And I never catch back them there something there. So you say any smell and anything, I alert of it, I'm ready. Because me the old school. Anyway, I pinted so I break it down to him. So long and I carry me, I said to him, sir, you see anybody who you sleep with last or second or third, them sick and you get at the sickness. Me not judge you. But just the smell. He must say nothing doing. Blood clot 3 weeks after the man text me and tell me, say, Queenie, I thank you. I never hear back from him. You hear that? Yeah. Him say, I'm thank you. Him never tell me where him have. I never ask him. What me just feel good, say, him tell me. I never hear back from him until today. You say, when they come from me, I don't like God, it smell. It should have come like kind of my mouth and my throat to go when I smell it. Ooh. Yeah, man, I mean,
You know them little rancid smell that we can't go away. Always said it.
It's in the blood. All right, let me tell you something about man and dick now. It's like me, Queenie, and me clean, and you clean, and the man sleep with me, and him sleep with you. The fact that the two are clean, you're going to lose your natural smell for under 24 hours. So the man clean, you clean, and me clean. So 3. So the 3 will fuck then. So we have a threesome then ready. And the chair will clean. You see the smell what me normally have when me push my hand in my front and go so. The fact that him going at you and come, him have to come in at you, you know. So him could have fuck your old nurse. Him could have fuck your all night and not coming out. You know, get the smell. And so once him coming at you, my smell what me have normally, it will smell different for under 24 hours until after 24 hours I get back my natural only smell.
Exchange body odor.
Thank you. So it's the same thing, you can't exchange energy through sex. If somebody negative, you can't get them negativeness by them sexy and coming at you. So there's many things to, whatever that's a pH balance, it's stuff like that. So if you take a man now and you say you run racket now and you give him like a pussy, and him fuck you, you know, say him soon come. Him just draw at him cocky and nobody come. Because him no want come in, him no want you breed. So it cut him come. So even though you have the little juju water where them say can breed you, them good as like it's a 1 out of 1,000,000 chance that will happen, but it cannot happen. So it's what the man do now, him start back over fresh. So what him do, him stop him come. So him have to work and build up back that blood again. No, so you gotta work for the next 15 minutes now before him come. So I say, me nah breed that girl, you know. But I pussy sweet, but me no want she come to my wife, you know. So me still a fuck it time, me no want go with no condom.
Yeah.
Then draw out again.
That's how the pre-com.
The pre-com can't breed, you know, but me I tell you once in a million. That's why enough man catch off a pre-com because them are expert. So, but like how me I talk to you as an expert now, you have expert man. So I'm catch you as a little young little pissy tail girl when I have no sense now. Him no want breed a car, you get it headed, but your pussy fat and clean. So I say, what me I fuck it in about? Me no want my wife find out, you know, so me not come in her, you know. But him want to feel a natural pussy.
Yeah.
Then some man going at the natural pussy for that and get carried away. When pleasure all them don't remember say wife a kill him and baby can't come on him can't catch AIDS. But then you have the whole deal go fuck a man them. What pussy no fears them. So when them a come and it reach at the tip, them just draw out the cocky. And so start beat up on your pussy or push it in your mouth or lick it with it in your ears. You understand ya?
Yeah.
Them not yeah. What them a do, you know. You understand? So there's whole heap of little things. Whole heap of things ready. Whole heap of little things. Yeah, whole heap of little things. They have to experience it for know it. You understand? So sometimes when I hear people talk shit, I just laugh and say, you know. Man, a man can take you as a woman. Ready. And him a fuck you for all 2 hours and him not come. Alright, I have a man, you see? I said to him, say, one time I said to him, you know already, I said to him, say, my last man I have fucked me 9 times for the day. Which was worse. I tell you that story already. So me just attack naturally off an experience. I said this man fucked me 9 times for the day because he was fuck maniac.
Yeah.
You know what the bomber all said to me, say, what? You have the art telling me that that's the wrong blood clot thing you could have ever done. I love competition. I fuck you 24 times. Every hour. You know who me
Yeah, man. Yep.
I'm say ready.
Yeah.
A fucking competition. They say every time the boy hold me, I walk me for all 20 minutes. Him take out him blood clot cocky and rest. Him not come. A one time that. And him come back the next 10 minutes and him fuck me. Remember me reach 17 hours. Me don't remember what we create. The man fuck me whole blood clot there because him want pass the brother fuck me 9 blood clot time. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
So when I tell you half an experience. If him wasn't a control cocky fuck freak, him could do that. If he's a pussy idiot for you going at the pussy, you turn idiot. But him have a challenge. Him have something for proof. So him have to stay focused. So every time him put you in the line, him a one, and you bump on the side, and you go on the tip of him pop off, him just take out him dick.
Yeah.
I treat fuck that in a pop off. Because when you pop off,
I work hard again for him come again.
12:30. You want me to drop you on? But yeah, so a whole heap of things. It's all like my pussy beat, man. No, I just have a creative mind. I have an experience. That's why I have one man to my good in my straight. So I study my body. So you see, if my straight, then ready. And then you hear me tell you straightforward. Tactics and angles, styles. You understand?
Sex,
All right,
sex is good for the health, of course.
all right, Vivek. Go on, come here, go on, wash out. So.
9 time was sweet. What about the man who can't get stiff in condom? Can you guys explain?
But me just explain the same thing even though I'm not mention condom. Ready, Rob, even till later. Me just
Later,
explain.
baby.
When you're in a man sex and him not coming at you, is the chances of getting infection. So that is and getting babies. So it's when them test the waters. As me use the example, if you are sleep with two women and the two of them clean. Yeah?
No, them thing can't stiff in a condom. What you think them should do? Them something can't stiff
And
in a
let me tell
condom.
you what them do, baby.
Oh, okay, cool.
It may
Cool.
explain to you.
Go
Why enough
on.
man take chances? Because the condom make them can't come. So you have to be a cocky expert now and a frightened over pussy. So you're going to enter the pussy without condom and you're not going to come, but you still can't get baby. And the
Yeah.
same thing them do. So them I say blood clot, me can't fuck her, me no want to catch nothing, me no want to breathe, but if me not have the condom, me not go fuck her. So when I have to do work here, when him see him reach 95% and the 5% will left to come him draw out. So when you draw out and you not come off in my belly, me can't catch no infection, me can't catch no baby. You have to pop off in me already. So if you reach 99% and you pop off of the 1%, you can't catch the germs because you go all in. Some man reach 75% and them fuck you whining at you. Them get all of the style. Same like how me tell you. A man can't eat me. I'm a come and me not tell him or him can't sex me. Me can't control it. So when you control it, you still have to eat, but you come already. At the same thing, a man can sex you and control not to come.
A lot of men have a very low testosterone level. It's a thing that why they can't get hard.
Them have a lot
Somebody
of,
said,
me don't know the reason why them can't get hard. But me I tell you the chances where them take. So me not determine the reason of not them getting. Listen, condom just the fact that them not beer back, them say a rubber, that alone make them throw off.
yeah,
Because them mind, I said, them not forget the skin to skin sensation. So the cheating we have getting the skin to skin sensation. If to go into the pussy at work, it feel 50%, 60%, and then you come out back and then cool down. You ever
yeah.
sleep with a man and a man tell you, say, me fuck you, I'm coming at you, so I own you?
Yeah.
Okay, it's the same thing. If them fuck you and them not coming in and them coming a condom, if them fuck you and withdraw and them not come and them hold it and come in at your hand, the connection with happen don't happen. So when them lie down with you and them coming at you, them know say you can't get babies, you can't get sick, and then you and them get more intimate.
Yeah. Only if a problem can be there.
Then me can't take your power, you can't take my power, you can't take my spirit, me can't get your spirit. So
Yeah,
enough
true.
for them ear brains. When them cheat the sex and pushing the body and wind up in you know, and when they wind up in you and them feel 9 to 60% what a nicest and 75, they must have blood clot. I want fuck out girl this yourself pussy, you know. Me no want catch no disease, you know, so them draw out. But sometimes it's too late. Because of the
So,
blood.
Jay, you
Yeah.
know, think as them going and if someone have a disease and as them going, them can catch it without them even bust off in them.
No.
Oh,
No. You can't.
okay.
You
Oh,
have to get that erection. The blood have to connect. Remember, skin to skin, you suck body. A skin you suck, you not suck no blood, no. Skin to skin. So when the body going at the vagina and it work on the vagina, inside of the vagina skin, you have to get that erection. So the blood build up. So the blood take time to crawl. It's a journey like how you buy the plane ticket and go on the plane. So when it reach stage 10, and your body fluid, as them say, a build up. If you get carried away and think say you just reach 50%, you reach 95%, the whole of the pre-cum left off in the girl already. You understand? So that's why enough girl man breed and say, When the girl breathe, them say them back out. Me never come in here, me draw out. So them two them draw out. The pre-cum, but the pre-cum done gone cause the break-up, the Queenie rubbish shot up. Me not look for blood clot too.
Once them mix, you can get what? Body fluid is body fluid. Once them mix, you can get what they have. Mm-hmm. Same
Yeah,
way
then
she
the
just
body fluid come and your
yeah.
come and that's a blood body fluid But if you just have the penis so and you rub it on the alright, just rub it outside so. And the man come on your outside same way. It upon your outside that go inside your go in your vein, You understand? So the blood, remember the come of blood, So is come and your come in a one, the two blood mixed together,
Yeah.
So anything you have or him having the whole like mixing together. Wanna tell me if
All
I
right, just like them said, just like them said, by going inside a AIDS victim, you won't get it, but if your blood touch their blood, you will get it. So
all right.
it's like
Thank you.
something like
Thank
that.
you. Thank you. Right now, if me use a tissue, ready? And wipe my vagina, I catch the yeast infection or the BV. No matter how the man a fuck out your pussy and come in here, nah catch it.
Okay.
Because that is an infection we make for woman. So BV, your pussy stink and smell of BV and the man come and fuck you same way and film cocky remain the same. Him not have no difference.
Yeah.
What you would I tell you?
There are infections that you can catch without body fluid.
Yes,
HPV,
BV.
HPV
The
is
fishy
one.
smelling one. What them call it? Yeast infection. The tissue, the soap, the rug where you baby, things like that can make you then at the bathroom and just a crutch so. Yeah, crutch so nothing to do the man. So our body different. We have different body. When the man them go and mix with other woman now, your body smell different. Then you have the chlamydia. The chlamydia are different disease. So I will by different levels of it, the trash. So them say the trash,
Trash. Yeah, trash.
whatever that one is.
Yeast infection shouldn't have a smell. That's BV.
Whichever one. You have
Man carry
yeast infection, you have
BV, these
BV.
are the
You have
chances.
some of them where the man not catch.
Oh, somebody said man are they transmitted. Them carry the BV.
Okay, and we catch the yeast infection.
Yeah, look like.
Yeah, man, because the yeast infection is a fishy smell. You can't catch it from the shower gel. You can't catch it from the soap. You
Yeah,
can't catch it from
somebody
even the
just
tissue.
said that.
You can't catch it from even the tissue. So even though you have this fishy smell, even if the man sex you, him not get back that smell, him not get that smell what you have. Him have to directly sick. See him if him have chlamydia from him fuck you and come in here, yeah, catch a chlamydia to a same for the same. If the woman have chlamydia. So there's many things to the body. Man can transfer BV to woman. As me say, whichever one the man them transfer, me not know the name, them, me not remember them for that. BV is a vaginal bacteria. See that? When I say man can transfer, may I tell you, you have the one where a woman alone can catch. Which one is that? Man can pass yeast infection. So the two of them when I ask the man can pass. When I say man can pass yeast infection, and I say man can pass BV. But I'm asking, which one of the infection does ladies have that man does not? It cannot pass to the man.
Someone said that's BV. Someone said that's yeast infection. When the man urinates extra rank, what caused that?
I'm not drinking enough water. Maybe I'm drink beer, Red Bull and something. What
Yeah.
have I like to do with it? All right. I'm glad this come up. What do you when my eyes sick, when my face sick, I'm go over the doctor over there, so. 3 days after. Whenever I doctor them send me in one little room for the piss test ready.
Yeah.
When they send me for the piss test, somebody in the room have a piss test already. You see somebody piss where them put on go forward for them label on the side. For them piss yellow. You see my piss ready? Red.
Yeah.
You see to me like a smelly person. I'm study the body ready. Me take my nose, and push down in the woman yellow piss cup in already. I smell it in already. You listen to me, my friend. God forgive me, I may say, bumbo cloud, the woman piss have something in it. The man I use for a piss, I judge my piss, my piss ready already. Yes, when I go back at the doctor the next day, I ask the woman, oh, she never tell me my result of my piss. She said, my piss okay and nothing, my piss normal, but one thing to my piss, blood in my piss. So I say, what you mean blood in my piss? She said, are you going through menopause? I say, yes. She said, just look at trace of blood. So what the red when me see in it?
Yeah.
It's little spot and at the moment them tell me, but nothing do my piss. Yeah, I saw me smell the woman piss, so I said to myself,
Something wrong with that woman.
okay. So by the woman telling me so my piss smell good. Nah, I'm good. Me don't smell my piss and compare to the woman piss. Because that's some stain and I smell it, so I'm technical with the body. So I can use things like that back to you for school people now. I mean, if I look at it and I say, so this is not a right idea for them put on people piss and lick me because next somebody piss come see it. You understand me? Because I question it at the same time. So look how I smell out the woman piss. Yeah. So things like that make me know how to study the body. So my mind 100% right to what everybody has said, but me ready, me study my body. Remember one African woman cussed me in England, a prison. Because I tell her, I say, every time I take off my drawers, I smell my drawers. And she said, I would never smell my drawers. That's nasty. People so weird. You ready? I go wash off and eat the road. Yeah?
Alright, may I fry some dumpling.
Bumbo clock, mother do it with that, some of your fried dumpling now. What is nasty? When you pass and you smell a dead dog and you don't have control of your nose, is it nasty? It can't be nasty. May I do my own experience in a life. I go sit down and tell me say something natural we are talking about is nasty. Life is nasty, baby. Piss natural and it nasty. Shit natural and it nasty. Spit natural and it nasty. So it depends on what your category, what your determination of nasty. Yeah. Me's a different kind of speech. You can't push nothing upon me and force me to blood clot nothing. You see me? My mother cook one big ass clot, Dr. Fish give me ready. When I come out of hospital. I'm eat the fish 4 times and half of the fish not done yet. I'm a balling, I don't know me bally, so with my big spoiled self. I said, Mom, I have no appetite, I'm going to make complaint, but can't eat the fish. And the next day, I get up and I eat the fish. I see in the little room, there's some lie down in the room. You know, Dr. Fish, I wanted the hardest fucking smelling fish.
To get rid of.
Thank you. Already, I lie down in there, I say, oh, I smell a fish smell. I said to do it, say, do it. Get the bleach for me and bring it on the rag. And all my wipe out the room and something. Couple hours after I smell this, doctor smell something. Ready? This when I send my nose to searching. Now the Dr. Fish, I jump out of wherever and eat up something.
What side?
The fish eye now. So when I wipe out every little thing, the fish I just eat up right in one corner. Too me sick. And I ball about the food. I may try eat like the fish. I jump out of the plate. I mean, I realize whatever happened, it's ready. Yes, I'm going to find the fish. That's Professor Queenie. You know, you're one different woman. Around 3 days, I'm going to take to find the fish, you know. Because the doctor fish smell linger. Me, I said, no, this not supposed to smell so. Why am I finding that fish? I'm not wrong. Yeah, man. I worry for things, man. Already later.
So when say I'll try them back tomorrow and see what go on.
Yeah. So what if me smell a little piece? Come beat blood clots, me. Go put me on the board and say me smell piece. I don't
You
condemn me
have to
just
my
blood.
life. You know, just say I'll go bed. Go on and go up.
Alright, baby, later. Yeah, come here.
Um,
Somebody.
yeah.
Bye now.